Вітаначкі. Мне таксама дуже падабаецца гэтая песня ўвогуле. Саундтрэк Life is Strange гэта, канешне, вельмі класная штука. У прынцыпе, сапраўды, калі паглядзець на гэтую гульню, ну, цалкам, як на твор, яна ўсё ж такі файная, у тым сэнсе, што кожны ейны аспект, ён вельмі трапны, вельмі ўдала зроблены, карацей, нават праз ужо столькі год пасля рэлізу яна ўсё такая ж файная. І гэта круто. Так, і вітаю. Сёння ў нас стрым панядзелкавы. Вось я ўжо ў твітары патлумачыла, што сутнасць у тым, што, карацей, будзе супер спякотна ў мяне і хутчэй за ўсё у вас таксама. Вось, і я вырашыла, што лепш пастрыміць сёння, таму што калі я не пастрымлю сёння, магчыма, я не пастрымлю ўвогуле на гэтым тыдні. бо у спякоту 30+, я нават не хочу падыходзіць да кампухтара. Добра, я буду ўсё адно падыходзіць, але вось уключаць кампухтар, стрыміць, асвятленне, уключаць усю гэтую тэхніку, шчыра кажучы, вось абсалютна 0 жадання, бо мне ўжо вось спякотна, а сёння толькі 25. Хэтхампер, калі што, ты можаш ісці да Гомзіка, я дазваляю. Я спадзяюся, што ніхто сёння не захоча мяне крыўдзіць, а калі ўжо будзе крыўдзіць, то вось, можа арыганы, дарэчы, вітанкі арыганы, можа арыганы мяне лыжка абароніць, а мо я сама ўжо неяк. Всё ж такі, ідзі туды, божухна, ідзі туды, дзе твоё сэрца, куды кліча сэрца, туды ідзі, а ўжо мы разбярэмся. Прабачце, я толькі зараз заўважыла, што я не уклала гэты парык, халера. Ух. Нібыта лепш стала. Ну вось, значыцца, калі вас сэрца кліча да Гомзіка, значыцца, ідзіце да Гомзіка і ўсё. І не дурыць сабе галавы. Магчыма. Мы самастойныя стрымеры, мы калі што даму рады. Мы, канечне, будзем шмат тупіць, але мы абавязкова дапаможам самі сабе. Я спадзяюся. Ну вось такое, канешне. Круто, што у нас шмат стрымераў, але не хапае гледачоў на ўсіх, капздец. Ідзіце да Эрыкі. Вось Эрыка вярнулася. Я лічу, што, канешне ж, Грэль малайчынка, што ён стрыміць увесь час, але Эрыка вярнулася, трэба ёй падтрымка за тое, што яна вярнулася, каб яна не перадумала вяртацца. Вось і ўсё. Не, ну, можна зрабіць па-азерскага, тады, канешне, на ўсіх хопіць. Вядома, па-азерскіх жа шмат. Ідэальны план, файная ідэя, дзякуй вялікі арыганы. Наконт лета 23+, я насамрэч дужа люблю спякоту, я вялізная фанатка спякоты, я не ведаю, крыцей, шмат людзей здзіўляецца, паходзе гэта не дужа папулярная тэма, я пацею не праз спякоту, часцей за ўсё, я пацею праз тое, што мне холадна. У 25+ і далей гэта вось пачынаецца камфортная для майго жыцця тэмпература, але стрыміць ужо некамфортна, таму што тут усё вельмі цёплае ў мяне на працоўным стале і веяць цеплынёй, і ўжо не так файна, не крута. Ну таксама файна на дворе, але для мяне трошкі прахалодна, ўжо 16, гэта капзда. Блін, вось капздец, апранула, не тое апранула, што хацела, і, блін, некамфортненька, неяк. Добра, ўжо позна нешта мяняць, буду разбірацца. Жыць неяк з тым, што апранула. Добра. Мы працягваем гуляць у Life is Strange Remastered. У нас сёння 4-й эпізод. Хто чытаў твітары, ведае, што трэба было падрыхтаваць хустачкі на паплакаць, таму што тут будуць моманты, прынамсі адзін. Вось, я не падрыхтавала хусткі, буду плакаць у геймпад, мусіць быць. Вось, але я вам прапаную падрыхтаваць хустачкі і вадзічка, канешне, піце вадзічку, у такое надвор'е асабліва. Добра, давайте пакажу гульню. Вось мы тутака. Схаваю. Вось, зараз. Ось. І вось мы тут. Ну, пагналі! 4-й эпізод. Добра, што не 5-й. 5-й мяне пужае дагэтуль. 4-й яшчэ нармальна. Можаце пакуль распавесці, як у вас справы, што вы рабілі? Мяне вось, я не стрыміла тыдзень. Мабыць, вы па мне сумавалі, мабыць, і не, і гэта нармальна, калі вы не сумавалі. Я сумавала. Вось. Ну хаця б сёння пастрымлю, а там як будзе. Заўтра ўжо будзе 30 у мяне, таму заўтра так дакладна ніякіх стрымоў. Ага, я спадзяюся, усё з ёй нармальна. Што яна проста пераела. Так, хвілінку, давайте я вам нагадаю, над чым мы скончылі, таму што вось тут у гэтай частцы, ну, у рэмастары няма у папярэдніх серыях, над чым мы скончылі. Мы скончылі на тым, што Макс амаль ненаўмысна перапісала мінулае, добра, наўмысна, яна перапісала мінулае, каб выратаваць бацьку Хлоі, які мусіў, карацей, які там загінуў некалькі год таму. Яна памяняла гэтае мінулае, яна перасунулася у часе з дапамогай палароіднага здымку, вось, апошняга здымку, які зрабіў бацька Хлоі. І, карацей, яна выратавала яго ад смерці, і зараз яна апынулася у новай рэальнасці, дзе, ну, паралельнай рэчаіснасці атрымліваецца, дзе бацька Хлоі жывы, але эфект матылька ўсё як мае быць, разам з гэтым памянялася і іншыя аспекты ейнага жыцця, і Хлоя чамусьці зараз карацей, яна на гэтым у фатэлі зараз. Вось, карацей, мы зараз будзем высвятляць, што здарылася. І што рабіць цяпер, таму што мы перапісалі мінулае. Каб выратаваць ейнага бацьку і зрабіць яе шчаслівай. Але нешта ўсё адно пайшло не так. Хедхампер. Так, арыгана, так. У мяне ў правілах напісана, што за спойлеры вы будзеце сцішаны. Арыгана, для прафілактыкі дай лыжкай хедхамперу. Каб ён гэта не балбатаў зашмат. Не бойся, я дазваляю. Ну, на хвілінку дай яму, просто для прафілактыкі. А гэта будзе вырашаць чыгуначны суд Мінскага раёну, ці Віце... Не, суд чыгуначнага раёну горада Віцебска. Добра, на першы раз дарую. Будьце наступным разам асцярожныя. Арыгана не гуляла ў гэтую гульню. Я гуляла, Арыгана не гуляла. Дзеля Арыганы трымайцеся. Калі што, вельмі ўскосна штосьці запытваецеся, таму што я хачу, каб Арыгане было файна. Ну і ўсім астатнім вядома. Але я вельмі шаную людзей, якія яшчэ не бачылі сюжэт гэтай гульні, таму што ён класны.
I'm glad we are, though. It was nice that you sent me actual letters. It's more than any of my other friends have done. And you even wrote on that cool parchment paper.
Вось Макс пісала ёй лісты ўвесь гэты час, але яны не бачыліся.
An English poet. You deserve the best stationery. Probably easier to write than to visit me.
Вось яна да яе не прыязджала ўвесь гэты час. Усё адно, як і ў той рэальнасці. Вітанки, сержант
Pretty
Гайзер.
much. Yeah.
Look, the worst thing you can do is treat me like a baby. I still want to laugh and talk shit with my best friend. Can we stop? This is seriously the best view of the sunset. What do photographers call that?
The golden hour.
See? Without you here, I'd have no clue. Bet you could take some amazing shots. Those beached whales are so sad. I kind of know how they feel. At least, I'm alive here with you.
You're a real survivor, Chloe. I know you have to deal with so much.
I don't want anybody else feeling sorry for me.
Я розумію, я
I can do that.
плакала би паскуда
Along with my
просто.
parents. My dad still feels guilty about buying me that car.
Ейны бацька набыў карацей. Што адбылося? Паходзе, ейны бацька набыў ёй машыну, і цяпер ён адчувае сябе вельмі вінаватым за гэта.
Are you okay to talk about the accident?
Мы
We never actually
запытваемся
have,
яе пра аварыю.
There's not much to say. Some prick in an SUV cut me off and I flew into a
Карацей,
ditch.
чал
Do you
падрэзаў яе на
Remember
машыне,
everything?
I saw
і
everything in bullet time. I felt my
яна
back snap
пачула,
and
як ейны пазваночнік
That was the last thing I
зламаўся,
ever felt
і
in my
ўсё. Гэта апошняе, што яна
when I woke up in the hospital,
пачула ў
I
сваім целе.
literally couldn't move a muscle.
Jesus. I don't know.
І
what
яна
to say.
паралізаваная цяпер.
Don't say anything. I'm just happy I could get to see you again. I could have ended up vanishing out of the blue like that girl from Blackwell.
Яна кажа, што яна ўсё адно вельмі радая, што яны з Макс нарэшце сустрэліся. Яна б магла... А тое яна карацей, яна зараз прыпомніла Рэйчел, якая знікла. Яна б не хацела знікнуць, як тая самая дзяўчына з Блэквелла. І мы можам зараз запытацца, ці мае яна на ўвазе Рэйчел.
You mean Rachel Amber? When was the last time you talked to her?
Never.
Яна
I just read
не
about her in
ведае
the news.
Рэйчел у гэтай
I didn't know her
рэальнасці.
name. You did?
Яны ніколі
This
не
is
сустрэліся.
Such a different world than when we were kids, isn't it?
After that snow and eclipse, it's more like the end of the world.
Цяпер яна кажа, што і ў гэтай рэчаіснасці быў снег і зацьменне. Не, мы яшчэ не праходзілі Before the Storm. Before the Storm я планую праходзіць пасля гэтай часткі. Вось, і, вядома, дапаўненне напрыканцы таксама я буду праходзіць і плакаць, таксама плакаць. Вось. Пакуль што гэта першая гульня серыі, якую я стрымлю. Дык вось, зацьменне снег было, і вось зараз гэтыя кіты, а гэта значыцца, што той, карацей, шторм, які блізіцца, і які хоча знішчыць Аркадыю Бэй, ён усё адно ёсць у гэтай рэчаіснасці, што вельмі важна.
It might be.
То
but
бок мы нічога не змянілі
I like to
у
think we
якасны
can
бок.
still change things for the better.
I'd like to think that too. But I don't have much hope these days.
I know things seem out of control, but as long as we're together,
Хлоя плюс
I don't
Макс,
feel
вядома.
afraid.
Hanging out with you makes me feel like a total kid again. You don't even know.
Listen, Chloe, I'm sorry I haven't been out to see you more. That was wrong. You're my best friend.
Max, thanks for coming out to see me. You're doing awesome.
I don't think so.
My nose is getting cold. Maybe we should get back to my place?
It is hella cold out here.
Hella? I hate that word, no offense.
None taken.
Так, а што так тупіць? Чаго ты тупіш? Хедхампер. Усё, месяц гонару скончыўся і ўсё. Макс плюс Уоррен. Ось так-то. Ну, калі падумаць, што тут ёсць Макс, і вось зараз у нас будзе Пейн.
Pretty high-tech lair.
Feels like a high-tech cell. But I am lucky my parents bust their ass to take care of me. I know it's hard for them.
They're grateful you're here with them.
Right. Especially when they can't even take a walk alone. Sometimes I act like a total teenage brat just to give them an excuse to yell at me. Pathetic, I know.
Chloe, you're a great daughter. You're kind and sensitive when you don't even have to be.
Trust me, I still get my rage on. Especially when a nurse has to watch while I take a dump so she can wipe my bum. Or when doctors flip me around like I was a science doll.
I can't even imagine. But you're still amazing. You always have been since we were kids.
Thanks again for coming, Max. I, need to get my drink on. Can you bring me some water?
Ох. Я вельмі цяжкае жыццё. Так, давайте принесем ей водичку. Пен попросила водичку. Трымаю
Drink up,
водичку.
Buttercup.
Хлоя.
Oh man. No wonder my throat is dry. I don't think I've talked this much the whole year.
Have you ever thought about doing a podcast or something?
I wish I could punch your face right now. A podcast? Dude, I am a pod in a cast. Boring.
Ouch. It was just a thought.
I know you're just trying to help.
Yeah, that's become a bad habit of mine.
You sound like an adult now. It seems like we were kids in another life.
Ох.
To me, it seems like yesterday we were little brats here, watching Power Rangers and destroying the kitchen.
Oh my god. We covered everything in flour. Even my parents.
That was so hilarious.
But a long time ago. You're the only person that I grew up with who visits me. As you can see, I can't keep all my other friends away.
Ну, яна адрозніваецца, гэта так. Мне падабаецца, што яна адрозніваецца.
You have me. I'm not leaving you, Chloe.
Well, you didn't visit me a lot either. I mean, I loved your cards and photos, but
I know I wasn't around much. No excuses, I'm a loser. But I am trying to make things right.
how? Dude, you're not Supermax. And I'm not trying to guilt trip you. That's what my parents are for.
Ох.
They love you so much.
I know. My mom and dad are so cute. They always pop in here and make sure everything's okay with me.
I think Joyce and William are incredible.
Max, the accident has been so hard on them. Our insurance sucks, and the medical bills are fucking insane.
I bet. This tech
Ну,
must
карацей,
be
у іх
crazy
няма грошай
expensive.
насамрэч на
All
тое,
of the
каб
drugs, the nurses, the
падтрымліваць жыццё
supplies.
Хлоі.
Mom and dad are always broke, and they get so frustrated. Is it worth
І
it?
яна вельмі
Хлоі,
турбуецца праз
You're
гэта.
priceless. No pun intended.
You are such a geek. That's why I love you. Of course, I know a geek when I be one. See, I'm practically a human entertainment system. It would be sweet to chill out together and watch a movie like when you'd spend the night at my house.
What do you want to watch?
I think I'm in like a mellow Blade Runner mood. I always cry at the end. Plus, you know I always wanted to have cool colored bangs like Pris.
I know. You would look incredible with blue hair. Now let's get this show on the road. And you better not fall asleep on me like you always do when we watch movies.
I remember, Max. Swear I won't fall asleep. Not when you're here. Not yet.
Все, ми будемо глядіти разом фільмець, як у былыя часи.
Nothing but medical supplies.
Але ми тут можемо поглядіти різні штуки.
Thanks. I think you missed a grain stuck in my eyeball.
Hard to believe how just a little sand can cause such a big mess.
It's like that Chinese proverb. A spark can start a fire that burns the entire prairie. You know, like butterfly thing.
So I've heard. She has to use a lot of lotion to keep her blood circulating.
Ну, карацей, жыццё ў яе вельмі цяжкае.
There's the old Chloe.
Яна... Але
Whoa,
ейныя бацькі
Chloe can
вельмі
totally control her
стараюцца.
computer. It's so great people get this high-tech help. I should offer to put makeup on for Chloe. Not that I can, but it would be fun. I still can't believe I put Chloe in that chair. Oh, the snow dough. I guess not everything changed. Ah, here's the DVD. Oh my god, I made that mix for her when we were 12.
У сэнсе вось гэтым кантролерам? Божухна. Як? Я нават уявіць не магу.
I'm glad I took this photo. Chloe has a new memory of William and her together.
Гэта той самы здымак, які мы зрабілі.
Does Chloe look at the garden and think about her childhood? She can't even feel the grass now.
Так, давайте чекнем, што ў нас па здымачках у гэтым эпізодзе. Я амаль нічога не памятаю. Окей. Калі хаця б нейкі зробім, то пашанцуе.
Wowzer.
Яна
Chloe was a
была
straight-A
выдатніцай.
student. She could have gone to any college. What a bastard. I totally should have let Chloe steal your bullshit fund. Even if it wasn't another reality.
У гэтай рэчаіснасці дырэктар, вось гэты дэкан, ён адмовіў Хлоі у магчымасці наведваць Блэквол, таму што вось яна ўжо, ну, карацей, праз тое, што яе абмежаваныя магчымасці. Спаслаўшыся на тое, што ў
Despite
Блэкволе...
everything, they're still a happy family again.
Карацей, што Блэквол не зможа яе прыняць. Ну, хаця б яны шчаслівая сям'я.
It's cool that in this reality, Chloe really loves skating too.
Max, it is so cool that you're here again.
I'm glad you think so.
Яна такая радая, што мы да яе
At least
вярнуліся.
Chloe doesn't weigh that much. Oh man. She has to use that ventilator just to breathe.
Вось. Яна не можа дыхаць самастойна, ёй прыходзіцца карыстацца спецыяльнай вось прыладай вось гэтай. Жах.
Hello, Chloe. She likes fluffy animals now.
Всё, мы будзем глядзець бягучага па лязе. Яна абяцала, што не засне, як звычайна. Слухай, ну мне здаецца, мы тут усе дзяды. Ведаем, што такое DVD і CD нават, і флопікі. І ў выніку заснула Макс.
I cannot believe you fell asleep so fast. How dare you?
I know you were beat down after the day with me, and Blade Runner is a pretty dreamy movie to watch at night. Do you think Deckard is a replicant? Sorry, I can see you're not wide awake like me.
No, I'm sorry I crashed so hard. Were you okay?
I do have a mother and father when you're not falling asleep on me.
You are a bitch in the morning.
It's the company I keep. Yesterday was such a blast.
It was great seeing you.
I know things were different when we were just dorky kids, but being with you made me feel like when we were little pirates, jumping and running through the forests again. It meant a lot to me just to chill out with you and bullshit. Fuck. I'm getting my regular head pains. Can you, pretty please, go upstairs and get my morphine injector in the bathroom?
Morphine injector?
It's total Star Trek shit. You can't even see the needle. Seriously, I need it. My parents keep the swag upstairs because they think I can't get to it. But you can, Max. Like a pirate, right?
I'm on it, Chloe.
Яна просіць нас, каб мы дасталі ёй ін'ектор марфіну, таму што ў яе дужа баліць галава. Блін, ну не хочацца прымушаць яе чакаць, шчыра кажучы.
Man, Joyce and William built a whole new bathroom for Chloe. They're so great. Chloe's message board since the accident sure. It's nice my parents sent a card at least. I wonder who this is. Kind of a generic card. I wasn't very available to Chloe. Real nice. At least I sent road trip selfies to Chloe. I'm sure that made her feel great.
Яна ў гэтай рэчаіснасці не вельмі файная. Яна ёй даслала здымкі са сваіх вандровак. Ну, такое.
They gave Chloe their giant expensive HD TV, and they use her shitty tube television.
Ось у Хлоі класны новы тэлевізор, а ў іх стары у пакоі. Тут нам піша Вікторыя, яна запытваецца, ці ўсё файна. І ввогуле яна нас любіць. Нам нормальные паведамленні Нейтан піша. Такое.
Bonjour. That's great they finally went to Paris.
Мы даведаліся, што ейныя бацькі ўсё ж такі былі ў Парыжы, яны вельмі хацелі туды паехаць.
To think that our destiny is linked to goddamn car keys.
Гэта ключы ад машыны, якія мы схавалі у мінулым.
Yep, that's the same graffiti from before.
А гэта паведамленне ад нас з мінуўшчыны. О, мы можем паглядзець тут на Хлою.
I'm glad Chloe gets a room with a view. Oh man,
Так, тут...
the swing is gone now.
Ага.
It must have been sad for Chloe when William took it down. Chloe actually moved our drawing so she could see it from her room. Chloe.
Гэта іхні малюнак. І ён тут не выцвеў у гэтай рэчаіснасці.
Look at all these dead birds.
Але вось птушкі і тут паміраюць,
It's
то бок,
happening here too.
не глядзячы ні на што, катаклізм тут таксама будзе. І мы нічога не выправілі. Ну, кшталту мы выправілі, бацька Хлоі жывы, але так агулам нічога не змянілася да лепшага.
These whales are just a preview of the tornado to come. And the Rachel Amber is even missing in
І
this
ў гэтай
reality.
рэальнасці Рэйчел
I guess I
Эмбер
can't change everything.
таксама знікла.
No change to spare anymore. Now it's back to cookies.
І грошей лішніх у них таксама больш няма.
Joyce is a food coupon boss.
Ох.
Hey, William. Am I bothering you?
Why, yes, Max. I love going through bills. Kidding. How can you bother me? I haven't seen you in forever.
I know. You look exactly the same. It's so cool.
Good. Or I'd be scared if I didn't look like me. Of course, you seem more adult now. So what's on your mind?
So you finally made it to Paris.
Oui, as they say. Not me, because I can't speak French. But it was a great experience. Especially for
А
Chloe.
Хлоя таксама была ў
I can see
Парижі.
her loving it there. You guys rock for going on a family adventure like that.
She talked about going to school there. But that's not practical anymore. It's not fair, Max.
Так, гэта так несправядліва.
I was impressed by Chloe's room and all the high-tech equipment.
You should be. We could buy a few mansions for what it all costs. The insurance helps, but I don't know, Max.
I know it must be hard on you guys, financially.
These bills are more like crushing. We have to mortgage our home, and that's pretty scary. But we'll get through it. Price is always right. Get it? No?
Ім прыйшлося закласці іхнюю хату, каб дазволіць сабе ўсё гэтае абсталяванне, каб Хлоя жыла далей.
I don't know how to say this, but I'm truly sorry about what happened to Chloe.
Me too. All it takes is a few minutes to change a girl's whole life. But she's alive. She's been a trooper.
She is amazing. I'm so glad you're here to help her. And be her father.
I'm so glad Joyce is here to help us both. Max, I just hate to think of what would happen to Chloe if I wasn't here.
William, I just want you to know that whatever happens, I'll always be here for Chloe. Always.
I know you will, Max.
Being around you and Joyce again is so nostalgic.
Very old school, as they say. I think it's great for Chloe to see you. Makes Joyce happy, too.
Ён
So, it's not all
гучыць
bad
як
news in
такі
Arcadia Bay.
смешна круты
Or
бацька.
is it?
What do you think is going on with all of this crazy weather and animals dying?
Nobody knows, right? It is Nostradamus type shit, pardon my French. But all I actually care about now is Chloe and Joyce. My family.
I was reading about that missing girl, Rachel Amber.
Oh, yes, she went to Blackwell, right? Oh, poor thing. That's a real nightmare for a family. I get scared thinking about Chloe and that we might lose her someday.
The Prescott family might be bad news.
Чаго?
What do you think about them?
Evil. Next question?
Sounds like you know them well.
More than I want to.
Можна, не
Joyce
треба.
has to
Ось
work for
Девід
those
гэта
greedy
не
bastards at
лепше,
Penn
што
States.
здарылася з
I don't
Клоей
even like to think
в
about
ейным
it.
житті.
I have to go see if Chloe needs anything. It was so great talking with you again.
You act like it's the last time. And please, keep me from these bills whenever you want.
А ён кажа, Макс сказала яму, гэта было так файна пабачыцца знову, а Вільям кажа, ну, ты так паводзіш сябе, нібы гэта апошні раз, калі мы размаўляем.
They might get their own home taken away because of medical bills. That's terrible.
Яны вось праз гэтыя кошты могуць страціць дом. Ух. Так, ну нам трэба на другі паверх.
Joyce and William never had a garage sale before.
Ось яны рэчы свае распрадаюць.
They're drowning in debt just to take care of their daughter. Such bullshit.
У іх не хапае жорстка грошай на ўсё. Ой. Яны просто тонуць у...
It's all about you, Arcadia Bay, isn't it?
тонуць у крэдытах, карацей.
Oh, Max, it is so nice to have you around.
Look at them. They have no idea what's in their future. That is such a sweet shot of Chloe. I wonder who took the picture. Oh no. I didn't realize how bad Chloe's injury really was.
Карацей, гэта паведамленне ад доктара пра ейны стан, стан Хлоі, і ён пагаршаецца, карацей, з часам ёй будзе станавіцца горш і горш. Зараз яна не можа ўжо дыхаць без дапамогі абсталявання, але будзе станавіцца горш і горш. Ну, карацей, яе ну, хутчэй за ўсё, яна шмат не пражыве. Вось. Што яе будзе адказваць усё паціху памалу. Ужо і так адказвае. О, яна паліць.
Joyce used to hate smokers in the diner.
Цяпер яна паліць.
It's good for...
О.
Joyce is already a supermom.
Good morning, Max. Oh, you and Chloe are so much quieter now than when you were kids.
I remember. It's nice waking up in your house again.
Oh, William and I love it. Finally seeing you and Chloe together after all these years. After the accident.
How are you doing, Joyce?
I'm doing the best I can, Max. I won't lie. It's
Вітанкі,
difficult.
вітанкі.
Nobody said life was easy here in Arcadia Bay.
So, what do you think is going on here with all of this eco-havoc?
Maybe Arcadia Bay just wants to be left alone. I know the feeling. Honestly, I don't give a shit about too much outside our house.
I don't blame you, Joyce.
Except now we have dead birds and beach whales outside our front door. So maybe I should care, for Chloe's sake.
Plus, you guys have to work, too.
Bill and I have no time for ourselves. And we're working more than we're living. I even had to take
Ім
a
прыходзіцца
part-time
вельмі
gig at Penn
шмат
Estates.
працаваць.
Ugh.
Do you know the Prescotts?
I know that Sean Prescott won't be happy until he owns everything in Arcadia Bay. Stay away from his son, Nathan.
Пакутнік, ну так. Вульгарис пакутнік.
Do you know somebody named David Madsen?
Наш Єзус.
He, might hang out at the Two Whales.
Well, that was random. Yeah, he's a bus driver. He comes in sometimes. Cute, quiet. Why?
Oh, I was just curious.
You always were. Nice to see that everything doesn't change.
I have to tell you how much I love seeing you and William together again.
He's been such a hero through all this. Chloe and I are lucky to have him.
Chloe and William seem like they still get along so good.
Yeah, those two are closer now more than ever. Chloe will actually listen to William, while she usually ignores me. Oh, it's so cute when they gang up on poor old me.
You rule, Joyce.
Shit, things would be different if I did. I like how you think, kid.
I wish I was a better friend. I know Chloe doesn't get many visitors.
Oh, Max, you're Chloe's best friend for a reason. You're here exactly when she needs you.
Who helps Chloe out when you guys are at work?
We have a series of revolving nurses and caretakers. Chloe still causes trouble, even if she can't move. Max, Chloe's condition is not improving. Her respiratory system is very weak, and she... Do you know what I'm saying?
Joyce. I'm so
Карацей,
sorry you
Хлоя
have to go through
помирає
all this.
насамрэч вельмі.
Bad or good, I embrace
Марудна,
every moment with
повольна,
my daughter
але
and my
помирає.
husband. This is what it means to be a family, and we'll always be one, no matter what.
I better get back to Chloe now. It's good talking with you, Joyce.
You too, honey.
А яно і не мусіць выглядаць менш квадратна. Тут трошки подкрутілі асвятленне і перавезлі на новы рухавік гэта ўсё. Я насамрэч была б супер супраць, калі б гульню зрабілі больш рэалістычнай. Так, вось тут пакой Хлоі у... Вось ейны пакой у нашай рэчаіснасці звычайнай. Папярэдняй.
They bought crutches for Chloe, hoping she might walk again.
Яны спадзяваліся, што яна будзе хадзіць.
Too bad Joyce and William can't get any help from the Prescott Foundation. Toys? I kind of want to open this and see what's in here. Shoes. Chloe always did love stomping around in her boots. I never heard much about William's brother. I'm still overwhelmed by this new reality.
Мне складана параўноўваць, таму што я ў першую, арыгінал гуляла вельмі даўно. Шчыра кажучы,
I could give Chloe the choice of keeping William alive, but that would be cruel.
я насамрэч, мне напэўна больш падабаецца арыгінал, таму
Then I
што
see that they're a family again.
там больш візуал, нібыта, ну вось карацей, ён лепш выглядае. У тым сэнсе, што там падкручана асвятленне мануальна такім чынам, што ўсе сцэны выглядаюць вельмі прышпільна. Тут трошкі з гэтым... Тут трошкі страцілася гэтае адчуванне. Вось. На жаль. Ну, зато тут, вось, бачыць, всякія ёсць цені прыгожыя. Трошкі лепш твары выглядаюць, трошкі больш прышпільныя мадэлькі.
I guess we stopped growing up together. At least we never had to hide from Stepdouche. blue butterfly? I'm sure this is a total coincidence.
Бачите, мотылёк. Якое дзіўнае супадзенне. Ну што, бярэм морфій для Хлоі. Якое тут всё змрочнае. Так, ось нам сюды. Не? Дзе? Мусіць быць тут такая, ці не? О. Вось, Макс уваходзіць у Vortex Club, дарэчы. Блін, а у сэнсе, гэта ж мусіць быць дзесьці тут. Я нешта прапусціла? А, уключыць святло. Вось што прапусціла.
The bathroom looks almost the same. Just more medicine.
Ну так, адлюстраванне ёсць. Але яно было ў арыгінале.
How's it going, Time Tripper? It's funny. I think I look older.
Макс кажа, што ёй падаецца, што яна выглядае
Here it is.
старэйшай.
I never thought I'd be delivering morphine to my best
Ой,
friend.
вітанкі, Woman Life, я пропустила. Ой, праглядзела. Ох,
Nothing here.
так, тут нічога. Давайте тут пошаримся.
It's cool that Chloe uses natural medicine too.
Ось. Hello. Давайте выключым, а то у іх і так грошей няма, не будзем ім яшчэ за электрычнасць накідваць. О,
Apparently, the only thing that hasn't changed is this view.
толькі гэты краявід не змяніўся. Ну, хадзем. Як яна дыхае, чуеце? Оф.
Finally. Give me the blue pill.
I'm sorry. I'm nosy, but not precise.
Go ahead and plug it right in. It's so easy. And painless.
Okay, but get ready to yell for your folks if I screw up.
Oh, trust me. I will. Of course, my pain just keeps getting worse. But you caught me on a good day. Max, I'm so grateful that I'm even able to hang out with you. See, I'm getting mushy. I'm already high.
You're so adorable. Do you want anything else?
Stop me if I'm being too emo, but can you grab one of the photo albums over there? I'd like to check out some old pictures of us when we were kids.
Please. My diary is like emo ground zero. Plus, Max Caulfield does not pass up a photo op with Chloe Price. Ever.
Яна прасіла у нас дастаць старыя фотоальбомы. Так, гэта былі дыскі. Фотоальбомы мусіць быць тут.
Oh my god. I made that mix for her when we were 12.
Так, а дзе ён? Падкажаш? Не?
That must be her mighty morphine machine. She has to use a lot of lotion to keep her blood circulating.
Ой, не спрацював скример. Добре, давай я включу тобі. Ох. А.
Grab that photo album over there and let's have a flashback.
Тоді, а ось
It
тут
wouldn't be
мусить
my
бути.
first.
О, ось він.
So Chloe has her own photo album.
Ось. Ой, ось фотоальбом. Ой. Божухна, Хедхампер. Тут такі моменти, куди?
Is that okay?
Perfect. Oh my god. Look how little we are there. We look like toys.
I remember that day by the lighthouse.
My dad was pissed at us. He actually tried to give us a timeout.
And you laughed at him. My dad would have banished me.
Whoa, awesome picture. We look so badass in our pirate gear.
We should have taken over Arcadia Bay when we had the chance.
There's still time for you. Oh man, there we are making pancakes. I love that shot of us. It's hard to believe my dad took that picture only 5 years ago.
Literally seems like yesterday.
I wish it was.
Me too.
This photo. Maybe I could.
Той самий здимок, про який ми вернулися в
Listen, Max.
минуле.
My respiratory system is failing, and it's only getting worse. I've heard the doctors talking about it when they thought I was zonked out.
Я навідаю, що вона
So,
помирає.
I know I'm just putting off the inevitable while my parents suffer along, and I will too. This isn't how I want things to end.
What? What are you saying?
I'm saying that being with you again has been so special. I just wanted to feel like when we were kids running around Arcadia Bay and everything was possible, and you made me feel that way today. I want this time with you to be my last memory. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All you have to do is crank up the IV to 11.
Ей! Божухна, я думала, у меня зараз все зламається. Карацей, ситуэйшн. Хлоя сказала, што я не ведаю, што яна насамрэч памірае, і яна будзе вельмі, паміраць пэўны час, вельмі марудна. Вось яна чула, як дактары пра гэта казалі, і яна не хоча паміраць такім чынам, таму што яна бачыць, наколькі гэта цяжка для ейных бацькоў у фінансавым і не толькі фінансавым плане. І яна сказала, што вось гэты дзень з Макс быў такі цудоўны і файны, і яна хоча, каб гэта быў ейны апошні дзень, і яна хоча сысці на сваіх умовах у файны дзень. Вось. Не, Хедхампер, гэта пасля мы вырашым. Не. Рана. І гэта па-першае, па-другое, блядь, арыгана лыжкай, лясне яго лыжкай. Я що казала, Хедхампер? Лыжку, доставай арыгана, бахне яго лыжкай на хвіліну, няхай думаю наступны раз перад тым, як нешта пішу ў чат. Всё. Прабач, Хедхампер. Кажу ж, асцярожна. Вось, карацей, яна нас папрасіла Макс пакруціць там на гэтым на прыладзе медычнай штуку, і яна, карацей, памрэ. Вось, і у нас ёсць варыянт сказаць: я не ведаю, так, і адмовіцца. Чат, што мы думаем? Хедхампер вытраціў карт-бланш на не той выбар. Что вы думаете? Мы можем сказать: я не ведаю. Можем ну, пагадзіцца і забіць яе зараз. І можем адмовіцца. Забей, каже Вульгарис. Аригана, что ты думаешь? Забиваем ці не забиваем? Вульгарис... я, наколькі я зразумела, ты таксама не гуляў. Ну, я таксама згодная. Я адразу скажу, што ў сваім праходжанні звычайным Хедхампер не муціцца. Я зразумела. Ясна. Карацей, добра. Хедхампер, ты атрымліваеш гэта фантомную лыжку. Калі ласка, я не хачу зараз быць гэтым дрэнным чалавекам, але кажу, тут ёсць у чаце людзі, якія не гулялі. Таму нават калі ты хочаш пажартаваць, не трэба займацца форшадавінгам. Будь асцярожна, калі ласка. Вітанкі они былі. Ой, у нас зараз плакаць будзем. Мабыць, я буду плакаць, окей. У сваім звычайным праходжанні я таксама пагаджаюся з ёй, таму што я лічу, што гэта, ну, яна ведае, што яна памірае, і яна хоча сысці на ўласных умовах, і гэта, ну, кшталту лепшае, што можам мы для яе зрабіць, як сяброўка. Гэта дазволіць ёй сысці ў файны дзень, не паміраць вельмі марудна і балюча, а сысці зараз, калі ёй файна, добра, і калі яна правяла цэлы дзень са сваёй лепшай сяброўкай. Значыцца, мы пагаджаемся.
Chloe, I'll just drift asleep, dreaming of us here together. Forever.
Яна мае права вырашыць за сябе, гэта праўда. Але гэта жудасна, проста уявіце, і ў гэтым сусвеце Хлоя памірае, і Макс хацела яе выратаваць, зрабіць ейнае жыццё лепш, але і тут яна памірае.
I'm so proud of you for following your dreams. Don't forget about me. Never. I love you, Max. See you around.
Sooner than you think.
Я думаю, яна можа вырашаць за сябе нават пад ваерфінам, таму што я думаю, што яна шмат часу пра гэта думала. Яна не толькі зараз гэта прыдумала. Ох. Ну і ўсё. Яна памерла. Капздец.
I'm sorry, William.
І нам даводзіцца выбіраць альбо ейны бацька, альбо яна.
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper. Hello? Hey, honey. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college fund? Aha! You can't hide from me forever.
Яна спалила гэты здымак, каб у яе не было спакусы вярнуцца.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us a world-famous salmon surprise with chocolate cake for dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Вярнуцца і выратаваць яйнага бацьку і яшчэ што-небудзь
Max, you're being
зрабіць.
so fucking strange. Like you're never gonna see us again.
Chloe, I'm so sorry. I tried to make things different for you. I did try. I'm sorry.
I don't know exactly what you're talking about, but come on. You have made things different, like my whole life. You're my best friend. I've got you and a great family. What's to be sorry for? We'll be best friends forever. And when we grow up, we're taking over the world.
Listen, whatever happens, I want you to be strong. Even if you feel like I wasn't there for you. Because I'll never abandon you, Chloe. I'll always have your back. Always.
У тэорыі, канешне, можна, але я думаю, што... Блін, ну, я не буду нічога казаць. Карацей, ёсць фанацкая тэорыя пра тое, што, ну, Хлоя памірае ў любой рэальнасці і... У тым сэнсе, што яна памірае... У гэтай рэальнасці Макс змагла яе выратаваць, а у паралельнай во сне. Але калі б Макс не скарысталася сваёй эмоцыяй, яна б, карацей, Хлоя і тут бы памерла. Ну і па-першае, па-другое, насамрэч я разумею Макс у тым сэнсе, што паспрабаваць яшчэ раз і знову убачыць, як твая лепшая сяброўка памірае, гэта занадта. Я б не хацела гэта бачыць. Гэта не фінал. Гэта толькі 4-й эпізод з 5.
Chloe, you're alive. Yes.
Whoa, whoa, down, Max. You get one kiss, now you're all over me?
I'm so glad you're here.
You sound high, but thanks for the morning grope. Since we were up all night playing CSI Arcadia Bay, I was still spaced out here trying to put all this info together. Max, did you forget we've gone over this? I hope you weren't messing around with time while I was sleeping.
Not anymore. I'm just spaced out too.
Welcome back to the real world, Max.
Все, мы вернуліся ў звычайны сусед.
I don't think I can ever tell Chloe about what happened.
Дзякуй, што не пішаш зашмат чаго, Хэтхампер.
Let's look at the big board and see all our pieces in the puzzle so far.
Все, мы займаемся расследованием.
I'm so sorry, William. It's not fair you had to die twice.
Что?
I wish I could tell Chloe how much William cared about her.
I'm getting lost in all this shit.
Staying up all night is the best excuse to drink
Добре,
lots of
покажу
coffee.
тобі. Де там? А де? А вось. Авай. Ну, гэта не БЧБ, гэта амерыканскі сцяг. А БЧБ тут няма. Яна у сэнсе спойлер, не спойлер, у тым сэнсе, што яна амаль паміраю, ледзь памірае на пачатку гульні, я пра
digging,
гэта.
Chloe. That snow dough always makes me think of William and Chloe.
Усе помруць. Так, рано ці позна помруць усе.
This butterfly photo seems like a million years ago. How much time have I altered since?
Добра.
So close yet so far away. We have to do 3 main things.
Right. What things?
Чаго?
1. Decipher Frank's logbook.
Чому гэта мае сэнс?
2. Get Nathan's phone to find out where he's been during the Vortex Club parties with Kate and Rachel. And see whatever hidden shit he's got in his messages.
3 beats Step Douche Dan until he tells us about Frank, Nathan, and the dark room. And I do have a gun now.
Keep it in your pants. We'll have to do this on our own.
Dude, at least let me kick his ass, then rewind. Fine, whatevs. It's your power.
Which I can't waste on shit like that. Or Blackwell would be in big trouble.
You didn't even let me take that money to pay Frank off.
And I'm glad. We have to be better than that.
I know. You should get busy in the garage to see what dirt you can dig up. I'm gonna cyberstalk some names and see where that leads. Or to who. And be careful of Stepcrack. Unless you want to hang out with him after you stood up for his ass yesterday.
Oh, please. I can't abuse this level of my rewind power. It's way too dangerous, and I need to navigate the present without messing up the past. Damn. This is a serious expose on the Prescotts. Finally. Oh no. That poor little bird has been trapped in here.
Птушечка. Я вось не памятаю, як вызваліць гэту птушечку. Паходзе, яна ў нас памрэ. Ах, птушечка. А, я памятаю. Нам трэба адчыніць вакенце для птушачкі. А вось, вось. Где эта птушечка? Ходи, птушечка.
Fly, be free.
Е! Выратовали птушечку. Ура! Все, стало трошки простей.
Since David might be in there, I better mosey along for a change.
Все. Так, Хлоя насамрэч ужо некалькі разоў за гульню ледзь не памерла, гэта праўда. О, нам Уоррен написал. Угу. Кейт нам написала.
Those poor whales are like beached angels. What is going on here?
І у гэтай рэальнасці таксама кіты
Joyce really
выкідваюцца.
wants David and Chloe to be a family. Somehow I existed in this whole other reality. But I don't know what happened. The more I use my power, the more I see how little control I have over what happens. Now Max Caulfield exists in 2 or maybe 3 different realities. How can I have a destiny? If these alternate lives exist, I hate the thought of William and Joyce finding Chloe like that. Thinking about all these lifelines almost makes my head hurt worse than the rewind.
Гей, ну што ты гэтае псуеш? Птушка
Looks like they're back
будзе
on the
ўсё
road to
файна
Paris.
з птушкай. Так, малаточак таксама стрыміць. Канкурэнцыя. Але гэта файна. Так, я не памятаю, што нам... Па што мы выйшлі. Я не памятаю, па што мы выйшлі. У чым наш квест. Але добра. Мы, напэўна, мусілі знайсці некую інфу. О,
William never finished painting that wall.
разумею. О,
It looks like David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some new clues around.
так.
Sorry, but this is my official man cave, so no girl. Anything I can do for you, Max?
I was just waiting for Chloe to get out of the bathroom so we can go.
I owe you one. So I'll pretend what you just said is true, Missy.
Excuse me, that's Miss Caulfield.
Yes, sir. You and Chloe still better be careful where you wander. There are a lot of dark places in Arcadia Bay.
What do you mean by dark places?
I can't tell you everything that's going on at Blackwell, and you've seen too much already, so please stay out of this, Max.
Too late. I already know way too much. So, do you and Nathan Prescott...
That little shit-ass Nathan Prescott is lucky he only got suspended.
I don't think luck had anything to do with it. I could have been suspended too.
I didn't have all the evidence at the time. I am sorry, Max. Anyway, I think we can both agree it's been a hard week on all of us. Especially poor Kate Marsh.
tried to help Kate.
You did, Max. You saved her life like a hero while I left the goddamn dorm roof wide open. I knew Kate was feeling desperate. You even made it to the roof before me or anybody.
I knew Kate was desperate too. So did Mr. Jefferson.
That guy is an elitist prick, and I'm off duty, so I can say it at home behind his back. Like when Chloe calls me step douche. These artists live in a fantasy world.
І он зараз обосрав містера Джефферсона. Ой, яму гэта спустим ці не спустим? Чатик. Никто не отказывает, значит, мы просто запытаемся, чему ён гэта сказал. Гей, что гей? Я просто запытываюся. Добре.
Why do you say that?
These art farts are all about themselves. When I was in the service, I hated the photographers who try to pose me in their anti-war bullshit.
Well, Blackwell Academy is a school for artists, so maybe this isn't the best place for you.
I have a family here, Max, and I think Blackwell is the best place for me, since only I know what's happening. Of course, thanks to Mrs. Grant and her hippie anti-surveillance petition, I hope everybody feels safer, like Rachel Amber and Kate Marsh. Although, you're like a walking surveillance system. I appreciate you standing up for me, but I have to be a hard-ass and tell you and Chloe to stay the hell out of this. Things are just gonna get more ugly.
Chloe and I can take care of ourselves.
Now, excuse me, Max. I have to get back to my camera. See? I'm an artist, too.
I don't totally trust David, but he's not a real stepfuhrer.
Hey, Max.
Should I have signed the petition? Blackwell sure isn't safe and private anymore. David really did protect Chloe. I'm glad I stuck up for him.
I do appreciate you standing up for me.
Насамрэч ён все одно дапамагае Хлоі.
Surveillance cameras at Pan Estates? David must be working for the Prescotts too.
Працював на Прескотта.
Anything I can do for you, Max?
I was just waiting for Chloe to get out of the bathroom so we can go.
I owe you one. So I'll pretend what you just said is true, Missy.
Excuse me, that's Miss Caulfield.
Yes, sir. You and Chloe still better be careful where you wander. There are a lot of dark places in Arcadia Bay.
What do you mean by dark places?
I can't tell you everything that's going on at Blackwell.
Добре, знову гэта паслухаем,
seen
чому
too much.
сіне
Too late.
прокручується все.
I already know
Файн.
way too
Я
much.
знайшла.
Like the fact that you might be working for Sean Prescott.
What? Who told you that? Nathan Prescott? That little shit-ass is lucky he only got suspended.
I don't think Luck had...
I didn't. So, are you gonna tell me why you think I'm working for Sean Prescott?
I saw documents that you were hired to do surveillance and security at Pan Estates.
God damn. You are a good detective. But I didn't get hired. I gave Sean Prescott an estimate. For my own reasons. Anyway, I think we can both agree it's been a hard week on all of us. Especially poor Kate Marsh.
Мяу. Мяу. Мяу.
I tried to help.
You did.
Мяу.
You even made it. That guy,
Мяу.
Why do you...
these art.
Мяу. 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 мяу, мяу. Мяу, 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 мяу. Мяу, мяу. А, мяу, 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 мяу. 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 Мя. Мяу. Мяу. Мяу, 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 мяу. Мяу. А, мяу, 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 мяу.
Sometimes I'm not, sometimes I'm alone. Hello, sometimes I'm alone. Sometimes I'm not, sometimes I'm alone. Hello,
Мяу.
feels like a year since he left me
Meow.
inside. Said he'd be back soon, but I guess he just lied to my face as he walked through the door. I can't take this no more.
Мяу.
Only 2 biscuits are left in my plate. A matter of time until I meet my fate. Through the
Meow.
shadows to the light of
Мяу,
day,
мяу,
how
мяу.
must I wait? Sometimes I'm alone, sometimes I'm
Мяу.
not, sometimes I'm alone.
Слухайце, я выпустила птушка, значыцца, што гэтыя птушаняткі, ну, яйкі, яны... Птушанята ў яйках, яны загінуць. Блін, я вось памятала, што ёсць нешта са птушкай, нейкая штука пра птушанятак, але я не памятала, што гэта. Блін, яе нельга было выпускаць. Блін, а я ўжо не змагу гэта скасаваць, таму што я памяняла лакацыі, яно спецыяльна так зроблена, што я ўжо ўсё. Блін.
Max, I don't like people in my personal space. I mean it.
Блін, а як адчыніць гэты замок?
Sorry, but this is my
Ah.
official man cave, so no girls allowed.
Ага. Нам трэба нумар.
For once, I don't have time to search for the code. I need to find a key.
Але як мы яго знойдзем? То бок, яно адчыняецца і кодам, і ключыкам? Як дзіўна. О, взять.
Sure is hard. Excuse me, Max. Do not touch one goddamn thing.
Come on, Max. Find a way to get David out of his cave.
Але як? Я не ведаю, як яго адсюль выманіць. Магчыма, штосьці ўключыць? Тутака. Халера, я не памятаю, абсолютно не памятаю. Абсолютно гэты момант неяк выпаў у мяне з галавы. Ой, да пабачэння была радая, што ты тут. Файна дапрацаваць працу. Халера. Каб я памятала, куды ісці і што рабіць.
I wonder if David is going to the party.
Hey, Max. I do appreciate you staying.
Вось,
I
штосьці
can't let
зрабіць.
David see me while I snag his keys. Enter the ninja.
Son of a bitch! I just fixed that fuse box.
Somebody fix the fuse!
Так, біжим.
Gotcha.
Все, без палева. Ух. Ну, разловала Хлою, ну, бывает.
Sorry, but this is my official man cave, so no girls allowed.
David will not leave if I ask him nicely, so I am the key master.
Капец, яна беспалеўна, ён літаральна побач стаіць.
Oh, maps, notes, coordinates, photos of Kate, Nathan. Oh, yes.
Так.
Score. Back to Chloe now.
Так, нам трэба цяпер замесці сляды. А, нет, стоп. Яна паклала? У сэнсе. Не, ўсё на месцы. З намі. Хе-хех.
Yo, Chloe! Are you ready yet? I have to get back to my dorm.
Are we happy?
Very happy. I hit the secret file jackpot. It's Kate, Nathan, and Rachel. Plus there's some
Хе-хех, вітаю.
location coordinates.
А,
David
ты
is
код
a
написал.
one-man
Блин,
surveillance
я
army.
все пропустила.
Now let's get the
Кэт-кампер,
hell
откуда
out of
можно
here before we
доведаться
get
код?
busted.
But I absolutely have to go see
Я
Kate in the
зразумела,
hospital
гэта
right now. I
2334,
wanna
гэта
find
не
out how she's
сапраўдны
doing.
код. Я зразумела. Я тупанула.
This is definitely Kate's floor.
Не, ну будзе
Hospital's always
смешна,
freaking
калі
out.
гэта
I
так.
hear you. But imagine how Kate feels. I'm so glad I get to see her again.
Вось, дарэчы,
I hope
гэтага
it's not too
эпізода
weird for her.
No, she'll be
няма,
stoked to see
калі
you.
не выратаваць
Who wouldn't
Кейт.
be?
This be it. I'm a little
Абсалютна
nervous.
яго няма
Just
увогуле.
Go in there and be your friend. I'll wait out here so you can chill by yourselves. I was a total dick for blowing a fuse when you answered Kate's call the other day. Good thing you ignored me. I had no idea what shit she was going through. And you saved her. Like me. I'm sorry.
Блін, нешта ў мяне стрым
Thanks,
адвальваюцца. Вы гэта таксама
Don't be sorry.
бачыце?
we're all on the same team.
Team Max. Let Kate know
Нейкі
we're gonna
інтэрнэт
string
сёння
Nathan
не
up by his
вельмі
balls
спрыяе.
Oh yes, I'm on it.
Не. А у мяне такое, ну, піша, што нестабільнае падлучэнне. Ну добра, калі вам не бачна. О, Кейт. Ей. М.
Max,
Kate.
I thought I'd never see you again. I feel so ridiculous. I'm so sorry.
Kate, listen to me. You have nothing to be sorry about. Other people do. You do not know how happy I am to see you. You look awesome. Is it a stupid question if I ask how you're doing?
Now that you're here, I'm doing even better. I'm so grateful to you for coming up to the roof to talk me down. Max, I felt so lost and alone. When I saw how much you cared, how hard you were trying, you made me realize I wasn't alone. Thank you.
Kate,
Файно.
there are so many people who love you and want to help you.
I know. You should see all the letters and postcards. I gave most of the flowers to other patients here because they need them more than me. I'm keeping the balloons, though. One of the nurses gave me some pen and paper so I could do some drawings.
Я
I
знову
love your
малюю.
illustrations.
They got kind of dark there for a while, but I have an idea for a new children's book about bullying. I was thinking of having some photographs in there too.
I hope that's a subtle hint that you'll let me take the photographs for the book.
Was that subtle? You better take the pictures, Max. I'm going to be here for another day until my family comes out to visit.
How are they treating you?
Like they need to protect me forever. They're so upset, and I know they feel guilty even though they didn't do anything. I was surprised how many students from Blackwell wrote me. Daniel, Mr. Jefferson, even Victoria wrote me a very sweet note. And I believe she was being real.
Me too. I'm glad you believe again, Kate.
I'm working on it, Max. I just pray I can get this drawing right.
Все. Ну хотя бы у яе все файно.
Good to see that Kate is still working on her book report. Oh, I love Kate's happy rainbow flock. Those are nice flowers. And from Taylor? Wow, props to her. If this gets Kate through the night, so be it. I don't think get well is quite apropos. That is so sweet. Even Victoria signed. But not Nathan. Victoria Chase might be Queen Bitch, but she's not evil.
Ну, то бок Вікторія там у лісце яна
Principal
прызнае,
Wells
што
knows how
яна
to step it up when he
вінавата.
wants to.
Гэх.
It's amazing to just sit here quiet with Kate again. I don't think I'll ever know how much destiny I'm changing. But whoever said we only have a single fate? Time travel is such a mindfuck.
Добре. Давайте погутарим з ёй.
Kate, it is so good to hang out with you again.
Max, I owe you so much. And I can tell you want to talk to me about something.
I saw Victoria's letter. How does that make you feel?
Max, I know Victoria can be not nice, but I do believe in forgiveness and redemption. I might be naive, but
I feel her struggle.
Me too. I could have taken a picture of her covered in paint, but I didn't, and we had a genuine moment.
We all have our moments. Why do you think she acts so mean?
She's insecure. If you're comfortable with yourself, you don't need to act superior.
Victoria doesn't look like she has much to be insecure about.
If anybody could make Victoria see the light, it would be Kate Marsh.
No. I think it will take more than that, Max.
I always want to talk to you.
We missed our tea session this week.
That was so not cool. We need to plan, like, a tea shop tour of Portland.
Oh, yes. And you could bring Warren along, too.
No boys allowed.
You are funny, Max. And right.
I want you to know I'm this close to getting all the info
Я так
I
само
need
про
about
гэта
Nathan.
подумала, щиро
Nathan
кажучи,
Prescott has to pay
Хедхантер.
for what he did.
Тому що
We
на
have
їм
to
так
stop him from
засерозили
hurting
увагу
anybody
к
else.
сцені. Я
Well,
так само
I
подумала,
did get
що
his ass
може
suspended,
гэта
so
ложек Хлої.
That might be a start.
You did? Oh, right on, Max. I love how fearless you are. So what is going on with him now?
I assume he'll show up at the Vortex Club party tonight like nothing happened.
And nobody can do anything to him after what he did.
We're going to stop him. I just have to find Nathan's room number,
Вітанки,
get
вітанки.
inside, and get the clues I need.
Max, please let me help. I can get the number and I'll text it to you.
Як твої
Okay?
справи?
Of course, Kate. I can't do this without you.
Now it's time for Nathan to watch out for us.
I have to get back to our mission. You don't know how much it means to see you again.
Якщо я
I do.
повольно сьогодні гуляю,
That's why I
дуже
love you,
треба
Thanks for
підсобратися.
taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her soon.
Ось нас не було в інтернеті вже стільки часу. Я сподіваюся, що з трусиком Кейт усе файн, справді.
Well, how is she?
Тобі б аби
She's still
Хлою
Kate
забіть.
Marsh. Thank God.
I'm glad we came to see her.
Thanks for coming with me.
Now let's go pay a visit to Nathan Prescott. That little prick is not going to be glad when he sees us.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yo.
Chloe. Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. In actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird just being on campus like everything's normal.
I know, lame as it sounds, life has to go on.
I think there's too much going on in my life.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week to focus. No pun intended.
I'm proud of you for caring so much about a troubled friend, and I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Thanks, Mr. Jefferson. I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me too. I'll be Max's date. You better dance with us at least once.
And nobody should have to see me dance. Plus,
Все,
you
она
don't want to watch the
подкатывает
old
мистера
hipster trying to keep up with the
Джефферсона.
kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will. Hot for teacher.
Gross!
You are out of control.
Not yet. Just wait until the Rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I
Я
can
не
get some
веду,
dirt from
коли я на
Justin.
геймерка,
Haven't
мабуть.
talked to him in a while.
Now
Для
that
Є,
is great.
Максима, то був цікавий експірієнс.
Let's see if I can find out where Nathan is.
Я не думаю, что я хочу уявлять Хлою с Джефферсоном, щиро кажучи.
I hope Max isn't pissed that Warren asked me to the drive-in.
Hey,
Huh?
Brooke. How are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way, thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant caved and let me fly her again. So take a spin. I have to see what time I'm going to the drive-in with Warren on Saturday.
That sounds fun. It would be good for you and Warren to take a road trip after this week.
Warren got a new car. Or an old new car. So I'm all about a serious road trip out of here after this week.
Можем полетать знову. Уи! Найс.
Thanks.
Що, ну ми погутарили з Юєю, погутарили, нормально. Не-не-не, гэта, мені здається... Мені здається, гэта было ў першым эпізодзе.
It's been so long since I've seen you.
Because you're way
Хотя-
too cool for us now, Chloe.
I can tell that Justin is really into Chloe.
Try going to Blackwell. Insane.
Chloe fits in so
So
easy
I
with Justin.
Any word at all on Rachel?
Dude, I wish.
Не, наўрад ці. Гэта, мне здаецца, рэальна было толькі ў першым эпізодзе. Там можна было здымачак зрабіць. А вось тут можна сфоткаць.
One photo.
Yeah.
For posterity.
Joke. Ну, мы мала чаго зрабілі. Думаю, шмат прапусцілі. Але окей. О,
Thanks again for helping me fight the power.
вавёрочка.
Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, squirrel paparazzi?
Так. Штосьці з вавёрочкай. Так. Ну, канешне, хутчэй у прашмандоўках Кракава, таму што я ў Кракаве жыву, не ў Варшаве. Блін, так і што? Неяк можна зрабіць здымачак з вавёрачкамі у гэтым эпізодзе таксама, але я не веду як. Добра, не буду гэтым пераймацца, напэўна, а то
As Michelle
я...
Grant, I'm very
How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel.
То не тое, каб у нас
How
шмат
are you?
часу, нам трэба
Sad
гэты
and
эпізод
confused,
дабіць,
like everybody
напэўна,
else in Arcadia Bay.
да поўначы па
You look like
Беларусі,
you have a lot of questions, too.
таму што мне зранку на працу.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
How can anybody explain all those poor beached whales?
My dad was a fisherman, and he'd take me out to hear the whales sing. Now they just cry.
Ну так, напевно,
They're not alone in this
ведаєш. Ну, я
I
думаю,
feel
що є
so
же спідрани
powerless.
по Life is Strange,
Oh,
до речі,
no.
вельми цікаво
You're the
поглядіти.
opposite of powerless, Max.
І
think so,
відомо,
Samuel?
Кейт рятувати
You
не
and
треба.
Arcadia Bay are
Блін,
connected
цікаво
by
поглядати, як
time
виглядає
and tide.
спідрайн по Life is
So,
Strange. Все ж таки тут
next time I have
це
a
епізодна
question,
система, тут
I'm
нельга
coming to you.
просто так узять і проскочить. Пробачте. Добре,
I'm sorry.
немає
I
сенсу
better get
тут
going
нечто
now.
шукати
Arcadia Bay
і
is
запитуватися, я
scared too.
думаю.
Look at the weather.
Мне здається, гэта не асабліва нам дапаможа.
Hey, Daniel. You look bummed out. Are you alright?
Hola, Max. I just figured out that my photos basically suck. I'm a wannabe artist.
You're not here to be a photographer. That's my gig. Look at that sketch you did of me. Incredible. And that's your art. Your gift.
I do feel better now. You are good, Max.
Are you going to the end of the world party tonight?
It will be if I go, man. People here push me into lockers, not dance floors.
That's exactly why you should go to that party. We have to stand up to these Blackwell bullies for Kate. You won't be alone, Daniel.
Not with you to
Тут
back me
на
up,
конт
Max.
вечерини можна
Damn it.
погутарить.
I will go to the party like it is the end
Я
of
вас
the
не
world.
пам'ятаю.
Okay, maybe I won't go, but... No, I won't do that, but...
Блін, чат. Що ми робимо? Ми усіх запрошуємо на вечерину чи як? Просто щиро, я не пам'ятаю, як лепш. Напевно, варто, каб нас там бачили. Так, хлопець аж Федора з мема, так. 5 годин, халер собі.
Have you talked to anybody about what happened with Kate?
Я ось не пам'ятаю,
I
напевно,
don't
варто.
talk to anyone, Max. But I
Я
did
не думаю,
actually
що
have a
гэта
nice
сапраўды
talk with
нешта
Brooke.
зменіць,
She couldn't stop talking about how brave you were on that roof.
але
I don't think
я не
doing the right thing
упевнена
is
вже.
brave, but I appreciate what she means. The most important thing is that Kate gets better and gets justice.
I hear that, Max. She's the sweetest, most genuine person I've ever met. I don't mind getting picked on by Blackwell bro holes, but don't fuck with Kate.
I like this revolutionary Daniel DaCosta.
Only if I can start the revolution from my sketchbook, Max.
Добре,
Let's talk
сходимо.
later. Okay, Daniel? Good thing I didn't let Chloe take that money from Principal Wells.
Ой, ще бачиш мем.
No need to go there now.
Стой, рано. Гэта хлопчукове. Ну, нам туди справді не треба. А чому ми тут? Нам треба дочекатися, поки Нейтан звалить, чи як? Напевно, варто запитатися.
Thought I'd
добре.
bug you again, Daniel.
Fortunately, Max, I like bugs.
By the way, have you seen Nathan Prescott?
Oh, I heard a rumor he's actually suspended.
Yeah, but he's still gotta be on campus.
That explains why he looked so pissed off when I saw him leaving campus a few moments ago.
Ось.
Let's talk later. Okay, Daniel?
Ось.
Good. Nathan is not around. I should go back to Chloe.
Ось тепер ми можемо йти до Хлої і у інтернат.
Coast is clear. It would be so cool if you and me were going to school here together.
But now you can have Mr. Jefferson all to yourself.
Ugh, you suck. Now let's get into Blackwell Ninja mode.
so lame they don't have co-ed dorms here.
Yes, because I want Nathan Prescott in the room next door.
Good point.
Wait here. Give me the signal if Nathan or anybody shows up.
I won't let you down, Batmax.
Now I just have to find Nathan's room.
Ух, 1 на 1 з містером Джеферсоном. Ми ж гэтага так
Who
хочемо.
needs a dorm map anyway? At least I can see that Nathan isn't in room 106 or 108.
О, Кейт нешта написала. О, яна нам написала, што што пакой Нейтана гэта 111. Найс, ось. Класна.
Oh, Kate brings it. So, room 111 is the magic number.
То бок нам нават шукаць не
Why,
трэба.
hello, Trevor. And Dana. Zach or Logan? Who knows? Bro's got a
Ми
bro.
можемо яшчэ прыбегчы ў хату, ой,
Even after
у
Kate,
пакой,
nobody here learned anything about
у
bullying.
пакой гэтага Уоррена, мне здаецца. Га.
Hello, Warren's room. Hawking and him make a good team. Poor Warren. This is the work of Nathan. He's so lucky I'm a pacifist.
Жах. Нейтан ляснуто, конечно.
Looks like one of the jocks did care about Kate.
Добре.
This can only be Nathan's room.
Так, ну давайте расхерачим двери.
Now I need to find Nathan's phone. Or anything with clues.
Так, мы внутри. Все файно. Так, гэта маці Хлоя даведалася, што мы ўварваліся і тусілі ў басейне. Таму што я не выдаліла спецыяльна. Там было паведамленне на аўтаатветчыку.
Welcome to the boys' dorm. That's so cute and ironic. I can't believe Nathan still has it around. That monochrome camera is brand new and cost about $6 grand. Bastard.
Все дорогое.
I thought Victoria had the photo bling, but once again, the Prescotts rule. I don't think this prescription has helped Nathan.
Які лекі п'є, недостатково. Він їх п'є.
I'd cry too if I had him for a father and had to wear that suit. Let's see what Nathan hides in here. Nathan is way into this party. Bad sign. Bastard.
Він занадто хоче
Now
на
I
гэту
remember why I
вечерину.
hate you. And why Kate will get justice.
Відос Кейт.
Oh man. Sean Prescott might be Nathan's real problem.
Але насамрэч у яго вельмі жорсткі бацька. Супер
Too bad
жорсткі.
Nathan isn't more like his sister. She sounds awesome. And far away. Yes, Nathan sure needs diet pills. This is strong stuff. Wow. Kiss ass much, Principal Wells? Holy shit.
О,
That's the gun Nathan used on Chloe.
інструкція по використанні
Gift from...
пістолету.
Nathan likes his tortured subjects way too much.
Яка жесть у його тут.
These films all have a dark pattern.
Ніякі змрочні фільми.
Oh man, that dickhead stole one of my selfies.
Спер одно з єйних селфі, повісив себе у покої. Іу.
That looks like a totally fun show. Even Nathan has a light side. Nathan Prescott, all-American teen.
Ясно.
What the hell are all those marks on the floor?
Рухав
Come on, Max. You're in the belly of the
эту
beast.
канапу.
Search everywhere. Whale songs? Maybe this is the only soothing thing Nathan ever hears. That is so Chloe. Oh my god. Chloe. Oh, Chloe.
Ось фотка Хлої під чимсті.
I really hope they were all consenting models. Let's find out what you're hiding. Oh yes, little phone. You are mine now. Now I have Nathan's phone, so I can show it to Cool. Now it's open.
Так. Все, ми мусимо бігти отсюда.
Damn, Max, you're finally back. I got worried. So, what did you find?
His room was clean and creepy. Check this out.
Boom, Nathan. We got you by the balls, fucker.
What are you doing in my dorm?
Oops.
You're such a nosy bitch, Max.
Stop right there, Nathan.
Make me, ho. Max, I got this.
Холера.
Get the fuck out of my face. You are so fucking dead! Get off me, bro!
Так, господарство. Ці мы спыняем своего сябра Уоррена от того, что ён пиздит Нейтана, а ці мы даем ему отпиздить Нейтана. Вось у чым пытанне. Вы пішыце свае меркаванні. Зараз калектыўна разбярэмся. Я, звычайна, напэўна, яго спыняю, але я не ведаю, як лепш будзе. Так. Анібыль кажа, што варта спыніць. Джек Блэк піша, што ён бы спыніў. Хэдкампер піша, не дзявоча, гэта справа, ты пра што? Ну, пакуль што ў нас два чалавекі выказаліся за супраць. улазить у разборки хлопців. Ну, значить, ти, хедхампер, не чапаємо їх. Добре, у нас 2 супроти 1. А, я ж можу робити голосовалки. Я ж зовсім забилася. Я ж робила голосовалки на гэты кон. Так. Погнали. 2 хвилины. Обирайте. Не, биться мы не можем. Потому что Макс пацифистка. Яна докладно не будет допомагать им. Давайте я покуль что у прибиральню схожу, а вы там голосуете, окей? Все, я бачу. Я бачу. Я бачу каратей, хедхампер. Хедхампер закинув лапок, я бачу. Максима... Магчыма, і не, але мы мяцелем Уоррена, атрымліваецца.
You like to hurt people, huh? Like Max? Like Kate? Like me? Huh? Feel this, motherfucker?
Жесть, Уоррен, конечно.
Get off me! Please! Please stop!
He's down. Hey, come on.
Капец, я згодна.
Stop. Sorry.
Yes, we have to go.
Пиздец.
Who's the bitch now? Chloe.
Damn, Warren went full alpha on Nathan. And it was good. But scary.
Shit, man. This really hurts.
Ну. Вы гэта выбрали.
Damn, that was intense. Warren, thank you so much.
For what?
For beating the shit out of Nathan Prescott? Dude, you rule.
I don't know. I kind of went crazy there. Like Nathan.
You're not anything like him.
Good to know. So where are you going? I better stick with you guys. Just in case you need me to get my Hulk on again. Or should I call the cops on Nathan?
No police. Not yet. So maybe you better,
Warren, me and Max have to do this on our own. No offense.
It's cool. Whatever I can do to help.
What you can do is find out anything you can about Nathan's father.
I'm on it. Between the snow and eclipse, I'm assuming the apocalypse is around the corner.
And thank you. Seriously. I'll call you later.
You better. I'm feeling pretty alpha now.
Yes, you are.
Боже, да.
Man, that guy is so fucking in love with you.
I know.
He really did give a serious beatdown to Nathan.
It was a little scary to watch him do that.
Now let's make a date with Frank.
Will he even answer you?
Frank always answers when he wants money. Like I said, Frank wants to see me right now.
Let's not keep him waiting.
Гэта будзе складаны эпізод таксама зараз, мне здаецца. Неяк з ім трэба пагутарыць і не абасрацца пры гэтым. Каб ён нам дапамог, што складана. Таму што я не давяраю ані Макса, ані Хлоі. Ну, на самом початку все довольно просто, калі шчыра. А четвертый и пятый эпизод гэта просто кабзда.
I just think of their families in the ocean out there looking for them. Well, that asshole's gonna help us find Rachel.
Or what? You'll actually shoot him? Chloe, do not count on my rewind. Seriously.
Obviously, I'm not counting on you. That's why I have a gun. And I might even save you someday.
About time.
Ох, Хедхампер, гэта будзе складана.
There's no way we could have guessed this is what would happen to us when we grew up.
I'm looking forward to the day when we can just go on a road trip to Portland.
Fuck yeah. You, me, and Rachel.
Absolutely. So let's play this cool, okay? Just talk to Frank so we can get that code for the book from him. That's all.
Got it. No dicking around.
Let's roll.
Ну, мы маглі забіць цягнік, але мы гэтага ўжо не зрабілі аргана. Забіць цягнік гэта другі эпізод.
The forest seemed quiet. No sign of life. Or deer.
О, тут яшчэ можна зрабіць здымак гэтых
I don't want to go that way.
кітоў, але гэта трэба зрабіць з суперспецыфічнага ракурса, і я не ўпэўненая, што я памятаю з якога.
There might not be any Pan Estates by Saturday.
О, вось мы
Those
можем на них
beached whales look
паглядзець.
so awful, but still so majestic.
У пятым. Ага. Так. Што з гэтага мы можам сфотаць? О, вось, фото. Што?
It blows my mind that I was just here with Chloe in an alternate reality.
Так, мы былі на гэтым месцы ў паралельнай
Good thing there are no
рэчаіснасці.
actual cops around to bust us.
Што ж, ух. Што, паспрабуй мне абасрацца, чат. Гэта будзе складана.
Take the trash out sometime, dude. This is where Frank ponders his existence and gets drunk. Chloe looks ready to rumble.
Oh, look. The Wonder Twins. You should have come alone.
She's my partner.
Yeah, we're bodyguard. So let's get to business. Where's my fucking money?
I don't have the money. Yet.
Oh, really? Then why did you text me that you did?
Because I wanted to tell you in person.
Oh, I'm truly
Что?
touched, Chloe. Now why are you losers
Не.
really here?
Не
We just want to
ведала.
ask you some questions.
You have some serious lady balls. No. Jesus, okay. Okay. But I'm not getting you high.
Frank, we're not here to get high.
No, you don't look like the type. Not like Chloe here. So what do you hardy boys want?
Just the names of some of your clients.
Oh, is that all? Oh, well, why didn't you just tell me? How about I just give you the keys to my RV while I'm at it?
Так. Цяпер нам трэба весці размову вельмі акуратна. Я... Блин. Скажем, считаем sorry, блин.
Listen, Frank. I'm sorry to be such a nuisance, but this is important.
Yeah, everything's important these days. But I can tell you're not bullshitting me.
There's no time for that, Frank. I just need a little bit of information.
Yeah, well, it always starts with just a little. And Chloe here knows all about that, don't you?
Come on, Frank. This isn't about me now.
Yeah, right, okay. Both of you are giving me a headache. No deal.
Frank, we didn't come here to fight. This is so much bigger than us.
What, you come in peace? After you aimed a fucking gun at me and then pulled the trigger.
Упс. Вось, і гэта, канешне, блин, што яму на гэта адказаць? Кшталту, ну, да, гэта было пагана. Блин, жесть, бедныя кіты. Ох. Капец, што яму адказаць, каб ён нас не забіў.
be honest, Frank, you scared me. You held a knife on my friend. I didn't want to pull the trigger.
I could tell by the way you held that pop gun, with both hands like it was a magnum. Well, maybe I shouldn't have brought that knife to a gunfight.
I only want to shoot with my camera. I swear. Ask Chloe.
Look, Frank, Max doesn't need a gun anyway. So are we cool? Please?
Okay, we're cool for now. But my dog isn't. And if you try any shit, he will bite your head off. He's done it before.
We're only here to talk. I wouldn't mess with your dog.
Shit, you wouldn't have time. You like dogs?
Так. Ён нас запытваецца наконт таго, ці любім мы сабак. Мы можам сказаць, што сабака гэта мілая, але я думаю, што нам трэба сказаць пра выратаванне сабакаў. Мне здаецца, што гэта правільны варыянт. Таму што ён выратаваў гэтую сабаку. Блін. Анібель, ты кажаш біты, дакладна? Ну, ты 100% ведаеш. Калі не 100%, я б, напэўна, Уай абрала. Скажы, калі ласка, наколькі ў цябе стопудовая крыніца? Не 100%. Я, напэўна, аберу варыянт Уай.
Of course I do. I heard you even rescued a bunch of fight dogs. That's amazing.
No, alright, it was just the right thing to do. I couldn't stand to see those poor animals treated like slaves. That's how I came to own Pompidou.
That's very cool, Frank. Your dog is lucky you came along.
Maybe we can focus on rescuing Rachel now?
Rachel? Is that why you're really here?
Yes, we're so close to finding her now, Frank. We need all the help we can get now, especially from you.
You and Chloe do not know Rachel like I did, and I couldn't even help her. You're in way over your heads. Why don't you just go play in your clubhouse?
Так. Мы можам проста прызнаць, што ён ведае Рэйчел, і менавіта таму нам трэба ягоная дапамога, таму што пра пісьмо Рэйчел мы не можам сказаць, таму што ён гэта занадта персанальна, адкуль мы ведаем. Ікс гэта чыста наезд. Пра браслет, ну я не ведаю нават. Я карацей возьму Уай, таму што гэта выглядае нармальна, як падмаза, таму што мы прызнаём, што ён ведае Рэйчел, і менавіта таму нам трэба ягоная дапамога.
Frank, you knew Rachel almost better than anybody. And you know more than us. Together we could find her. Do you have anything to lose?
When Rachel vanished, I pretty much lost everything. I can't stand not knowing where she is. Not hearing her voice or her laugh anymore.
We can change all that. It's up to you.
Мне здаецца, пакуль нармальна ідзе.
Help us find her, Frank. Please. We really need your client list.
Well, if there's a chance in hell, you two dorks can find Rachel. I'll take it.
Yeah!
My dog isn't barking at you, so I guess that's a good sign.
Nice. Калі б мы тады пакрыўдзілі сабачка, то нам бы зараз была кабзда, і яны перастраляліся.
Yeah, thanks, Frank. Seriously.
It's hard to take you characters seriously, but I want to. Good luck.
Што я ведаю, ну, у мяне... Не... Косці злосці, гэта было злосна. Вельмі. Ох, у сэрцы яка самая, я спужалася.
That was cool Frank gave up the code to help us.
Всё, супер.
Rachel must have seen something good in him.
Всё круто, мы далі рады разам. Гэта супер. Значыцца, мы зможам цяпер... Мне здаецца, тут яшчэ адзін здымак, але... Ай, халера з ім. Все адно у мяне ўжо ўсё ёсць усе ачыўкі, таму давайце пагонім далей. Блін, ну гэты эпізод даволі працяглы. Я ведаю, што тут яшчэ да халеры ўсяго будзе. Ну, кшталту вось гэта. Пасля яшчэ адзін момант. І яшчэ адзін момант. Мы
Chloe,
едем на одну
are you
локацию, а
okay?
пасля яшчэ на одну локацию.
I'm glad things worked out okay with Frank. It's nice to have one less enemy in Arcadia Bay.
Amen to that.
Тому що я пам'ятаю, з
I
чого
better
починається
focus on
п'ятий
this board and
епізод.
start tying these clues together.
О, там щось Френк написав. Все, у нас нормальные стосунки теперь з ним. Ого.
Let's look at Frank's drug deals during the week of the party.
Так. Добре. Нам треба спочатку поглядзець на... Не. Look.
There's no doubt she loved him in some way. So, what happened to Rachel after this? Frank is for sure the local dealer, but I doubt Rachel was carrying drugs. Maybe Rachel took a road trip with Frank, but she did come back.
Так, ось гэта, напэўна, спіс.
Rot must stand for
Ага.
Rottweiler. That does fit Nathan.
Ага, гэта
Rotten.
расшифроўка ягоных род, гэта Нейтан. Ой.
So weird how close they were. But Frank couldn't keep Rachel. Yes, the game is on.
Так, нам треба
Now,
ось...
talk to us, account book. Tell us everything. Let's see if I can find any deal Frank made with Nathan or the Vortex Club.
Ой. Так.
Frank sure
А.
is keeping his customers satisfied.
Так, у нас
He could
ёсць
open a store.
нейкі род 30 лістапада... Не, верасня. Верасня.
Everybody in Arcadia Bay must be high. That explains. If Frank applied this kind of detail to
Тут
his
яго
life,
нема.
I wonder what dog name Frank would have given me.
О. Вось яшчэ... Тут у яго яшчэ... Значит, це перше, апошнє
I'm getting
гэта
a
род.
contact high just reading this. Two deals with Nathan on the same day? Party supplies, no doubt.
Ну, значит, це вось гэта і вось гэта.
Yes.
Вось.
These are all the times and places for Frank and
Дед,
Nathan's deals.
успокойся. Все нормально.
That's it, Max.
Не ўсе. Так. З гэтым мы разабраліся.
Thanks to David's own investigation, I should be able to find out what Nathan did during the party's week.
Так, нам цяперака трэба знайсці нумар. Нумар
Does
Нейтана.
David know what's going on with Rachel, or is he just paranoid about everybody?
Ага.
At least David was finally going after the right suspect. David really has been on Rachel's ass for a while. She should have been upset. Of course, I'm a suspect. Proving David sucks as a detective. Look at all these license plates. I hope he was tailing Nathan. I hope in this case that David has good tracking skills.
Ага. Напэўна, вось гэта і вось гэта.
Maybe he was trying to help Kate in his own messed up way. David should have done way more than take photos of Kate. And that's all she wrote. please let me find some clues about Nathan in here.
Так, глядім, що тут можна знайти.
Great. Now, how do I find out which car is Nathan's to match the coordinates?
Звяртала там спасылкі ёсць, так. Значыць, так, гэта якая з гэтых машын, гэта машына Нейтана. Файнае пытанне.
Yep, another car David was tracking.
Я ведаю, што Twin Peaks гэта машына
Who
Хлоі.
else was David tracking here? Why the hell are you following these people?
А вось
And
Twilight
to where?
Zone, мне здаецца, гэта была машына Нейтана. Не, Six Feet Under, вось, я ўспомніла. Вось, гэта машына Нейтана, гэта стопудова.
That's definitely Chloe's car.
Я гэта запомніла яшчэ з першага свайго праходжання.
Wowzer. This looks like an expensive machine.
Вось, вось.
Who does this car belong to?
Вось плюс тут пабітая яшчэ гэтая машына, гэта стопудова. І вось гэта ягоная машына.
Of course Nathan drives an SUV. Overcompensating. Oh yes, now we're finally getting somewhere.
Chloe, let's plug in these numbers and see if they lead to an actual address.
Aye, aye, Captain. Here we come, Rachel.
I have to analyze Nathan's messages. There's a lot of numbers in here.
Тут я докладно уже не
If there
пам'ятаю.
is a dark room, we better find it. It's a good thing Chloe slipped all these
Rachel in
files
the
on the
dark
flash
room.
drive.
Ясно.
This is the Vortex Club party where Nathan
Так,
drugged Kate.
четвертого. Вось
Did he
гэта
do the
нам
same thing to
важно.
Rachel?
Четвертого,
Holy shit.
10-го.
Nathan is seriously unhinged. But those numbers might be useful.
О, сим-карта.
Couldn't hurt to give this pin code a whack. Oh, so busted. It's good to see the Prescotts can't. Oh, there has got to be some good shit in his phone. I just need the code to unlock it.
Код, вось гэта. І вось гэта. Ну і гэта. Не. Гэтага недастаткова.
Okay, Max. Let's blow this code up and go home.
Так, так. Ну, просто Макс злуец. О, Нейтан. Ясно, ён нам пагражае.
Let's start hacking.
Значыцца так. Тут всялякія нумары, я не ведаю. Дата ягонага нараджэння, напэўна, не мае сэнсу. Але вось тут усялякія гэтыя нумары 95-35. Давайте паспрабуем. 95. Ой. Лічбы не працуюць.
Oops. Bad code.
У прынцыпе, мы можам проста дайсці да гэтага пук-нумару, і ўсё будзе файна. Блін, я тут уколы гэтыя. Абведзеныя проста. Можем 1-1-1 паспрабаваць кшталту. Давайте паспрабуем 9-9-8-8.
Yeah, I knew it wouldn't be that easy.
Добра, 1-1-1 і будзем уводзіць гэты пук-код, таму што ён дакладна правільны. Ён яго дакладна не мяняў.
You locked it, dumbass.
Ты нормально. Всё, зараз павырашаем. Ага. Так, дайте я яго запишу спачатку сабе. Значится так. 8-7, 8-9, 7-8, 0-8. Нормально. Я, звичайно, так і робила. Я не пам'ятаю, ці хоч раз я довідався, ну, сапраўдны код. Ну, і халера з ім. 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 8.
Booyah! Let's find out what Nathan Prescott has been trying to hide.
Ну, можна записать.
Yes. This is all about Nathan trying to score for the Vortex Club party. Nathan was jonesing hard the night of the party. He didn't have enough drugs. Drug dealer drama. God, Nathan. You're out of control. So it was you. Now I can officially call you a psycho stalker.
Ага, вось з гэтага тэлефону ён ёй і напісаў. Ха.
No, Nathan. It's time for you to watch out. Asshole. Is this from Nathan's father? That's brutal.
Гэта ад ягонага бацькі. Там вельмі такія паведамленні кшталту не чапай мяне. І пакуль я на працы. Ай. Так.
Take a breath, Max. Go through all this data and you can find out.
Так.
So,
Гэта
this infamous
было
party was
4 кастрычніка. Нам трэба знайсці, што было 4 кастрычніка. Не, гэта было раней. Гэта было пазней. Пазней. Не.
So, this infamous party was the 4th.
Вось, яно. Ага, вось знову. І нам треба знайти
Was Frank meeting Nathan at the junkyard? I know Nathan wasn't looking for Bigfoot in the forest. That beach is like Frank's main office. Somebody is stocking up on gas. Why?
Вось, гэта
No doubt that Nathan stays in his dorm room. So he could be hiding clues there too. Not much out there.
Ну, ён быў тут.
Looks like this is not relevant at all. Oh, that has to be the Prescott estate. Poor... If Joyce knew what Nathan did to Chloe, she would fry his ass.
Так, гэта было да.
If I can match one of the text messages and transactions with Frank, then I can find the exact location.
Ну, вось гэта было... Нам трэба час, я зразумела. Я не глядзела на час, але... Не. Вось.
Chloe, this is definitely the place.
Let me dig up some more clues here. Nope. Nothing, Max. There's nothing here. Just a shitty old barn.
Let's keep searching and find out who owns this haunted barn.
I'm on this. Hold on. Somebody named Harry Aaron Prescott.
I'm shocked. Should we call the police?
Fuck that. You know the police here are like Nathan's private security, right?
That's so messed up.
As you've noticed, this whole town is messed up. We can't trust anybody, except each other. So we have to go out to that farmhouse by ourselves.
I was afraid you'd say that. We could call Warren since he kicked Nathan's ass.
It's just the two of us, nobody else. And I'm not scared at all. You have the power. I feel like we're this close to finding Rachel. We have to find her, Max.
We will. But remember, my power isn't infinite. We still have to be careful.
Поедем in the middle of nowhere.
Yes, sir.
Абсолютно шэдзі месца, якое належыць яшчэ Прэскатам. Свайку чаліка, якога мы падазраем. Што можа здарыцца? Што можа пайсці не так? Мусіць быць нічога, правда? Каточки!
Holy shit, this is scary.
I know.
О, дякую, малаточак, за то, што ты прынёс у скрынцы каточкаў і вітанкі. Каточки. Мяу.
Whoa, check this out. Fresh tire tracks.
Dude, somebody was just here.
Then we need to get in that barn.
Зараз просторовые головоломки, я их так люблю. Як постримили молоточек? Так. О, тебе сфоткать можно, не? Ці не. Ну добра, мы не сфоткаем тебе, не будем марнаваць свой моц на гэта.
Watson, we can safely assume that this ancient vehicle
Тут
is not
дакладна
our
ёсць
suspect.
здымак. Але... О! Hello. Але халера з ім. Не будем оттягиваться.
Chloe, I found the front door. Come on.
Oh, yes! Maximus rules.
God, this is way too Blair Witch. I have goosebumps all over.
Можна не про гэтую ведьму з Блэр не будем размаўляць. Ох.
Hey, check
Хто
out
ў
this old
чаце
chest.
глядзеў гэты фільм?
A little louder, Chloe.
Jeez, that is ancient.
Jackpot. Old shit.
No, look closer.
Harry Aaron Prescott and family donate new library to Arcadia Bay. Prescott Industries celebrate grand opening. The Prescotts bring bomb shelter boom to town.
Nice scrapbook. You search for more clues and I'll scope out the area.
А ты глядзеў гэты фільм?
Yes, old Prescott clippings. But that can't be the only thing here. These hooks are used to lift haystacks. I saw them in a Friday the 13th movie.
Не.
Wow, sir. Talk about home on the range. Okay, there's no reason for anybody to drive out here. But there must be. I guess the Prescotts were just born bastards. This tractor has paid its dues. Even Harry Aaron Prescott was into selfies. Chloe would make a great detective too.
Так. Ось нам сюди. Аматори хорорів. О. Гриміть.
Nothing here. So many haystacks, so few needles.
Hold.
О. Коли я тут пройшла, у мяне завібраваў геймпад. Мусіць быць гэта месца.
Whoa. What is this? It's totally brand new. Why? No, Supermax. You can't open this with your bare hands.
Так. Нам треба ось гэты. Ага.
Okay, Chloe. I found some kind of hatch, but it's locked. I got this. I hope.
Let me know the second you need any help.
Так. Теперь.
Pretty sure this old pitchfork won't open
Ой,
a padlock.
добра чарыгана.
Try again, Max.
Прыкра, што ты не ўбачыш канец, але калі табе цікава, то паглядзі пасля запіс, таму што тут сюжэт такі зараз будзе проста кабзда. Запіс, вядома, застаецца тут на твічы.
Boring. Boring.
I guess the Prescotts were just born bastards.
Уф.
I have to get through this monster padlock first.
Падняцца на другі паверх, мне здаецца, нейкім чынам трэба, але я не памятаю як. А, вось. Кнопка.
There's no way this rusty-ass button will activate these ropes or pulleys.
А, вось платформа.
Scope out the.
Chloe, can you give me a hand?
І так само рано падымацца.
Sidekick at your service. Up and away, Supermax.
Все нормально. Я абяцаю апошні эпізод пастрыбіць у дзесьці на выходных, каб усе маглі даглядзець да канца, і ты, Аргана, таксама. Нейкі нармальны час, карацей. Блін, а вось.
That looks sturdy enough to stand on.
Tell me if you need any help.
Так, не. Напэўна, зарана. Нам трэба прычапіць. Добра, залежу яшчэ раз. Мы не заб'ем цягнік, але заб'ем веру ў чалавецтва.
That looks sturdy enough to stand on.
А, нам трэба залезці. Залезці ж? Блін, ты куды ты злезаеш? Нам трэба залезці на гэту штуку.
that looks sturdy enough to
Ось вона
stand on.
каже, виглядає... О, достатково... А, ну треба було сюди натиснути, я зрозуміла. Давайте почекнем, що тут є. О. Совушка. Вось яна. Хе-хех. Навошта? Нехай
Good evening,
ходить.
Doctor Who.
Катін!
Sorry.
Мур-мур-мур. Дякую, великий Катін, за то, что застаешься у Катиной семьи уже 14 месяцев, божухна. Дорослая котка. Супер дорослая велизная котка. Мя-мя-мя. Самым пухнастым хвостиком ведома котка.
Please be careful up there, Max.
Як твоя справа, Катін?
Nope. I can't pull this rope without tearing my flesh off.
Вось гэта
I
не
need to hook
трэба.
this up to something heavier.
Ага, штосьці больш цяжкае.
Max, use your rewind and get that motor back up there.
А, ну так, маєш рацію, Макс. Що ти гэта? Ось. Ой, ой, відео на завтра. Мя-мя-мя. Дякую, Макс, за то, що підказує. Що б я без її робила? Моц.
Max Guyver strikes again.
Добре, скотчем. Добре, я після стрима погляджу на повідомлення. Вже не буду зараз глядіти.
Ah, the good old days.
Ой, ой, ой.
Damn, this is heavy.
Може і добре, що Орегана пішла спати і зараз гэтага не убачить перед
Is
сном.
this?
Jackpot.
Ой.
Do I even need to say how weird this is?
He just did. Who built this kind of place?
A Prescott, of course.
Ух. Чекай, Катсін, ти гуляла у Life is Strange? Хвилинку. Це зараз серйозне питання кшталту. Коли ти не гуляла у Life is Strange, блін, і це вже не перший раз, коли я виганяю со стрима чоловіка. Блін, коли ти не гуляла у Life is Strange і плануєш погуляти, ось зараз момент, коли тобі треба... А, ти не плануєш, то добре. Просто зараз вельмі... Ми вже на 4-м епізоді, і зараз буде, ну, кшталту 11 твістов сюжетних. Напрыканцы гэтага стрима таксама, і калі ты планавала пагуляць, то гэта вялізныя спойлеры. Вось. Але нікалі не плануеш, то добра.
This bunker is so surreal.
О, блін.
First a padlock, then a digicode. Someone really doesn't want visitors. First a padlock, then a digicode.
Капец, так. Тут
Someone really doesn't
стёрты.
want visitors.
Тут ёсць нейкія стёртыя лічбы. Пачакайце. Так, это не тое. Правой мышкой, прости, будзе абстрыкаць, напэўна. Не. А вось яно. Не, не туды. А, вось нумар, які мы мусілі знайсці. Мы яго бачылі. Мне цікавіць толькі частка Colors, іншай часткі, ну і жатухі неяк не. А, True Colors? А ці ты гуляла ў True Colors? Так. Так. Дзе там гэты нататкі Нейтана? Вось. Ага. Мусіць быць гэта нешта з гэтага. Давайце я сфоткаю. Гомзік! Які ты дарослы каток! Слухай, Гомзік, ну мне цяпер трэба новых каткоў прыдумляць для тых, хто столькі месяцаў на мяне падпісаны. Ну, малюнкі нейкія новыя рабіць. Вітанкі, дзякуй вялікі, мур-мур-мур, за тое, што застаешся ў кацінай сям'і ўжо 21 халера месяц. 21. Уявіце, які вялізны каточак у 21 месяц. Гэта амаль 2 гады каточак такі. Каточкі, яны пад 2 гады, яны яшчэ такія падлетачкі, яшчэ худзенькія, яшчэ не чонкеры, недастаткова пухнасценькія, але яны вельмі прышпільныя, калі яны ў такім узросце. Яны ўжо кшталту дарослыя, але яны такія падлетачкі, яшчэ вельмі мілыя. Вось гэта ты, Гомзік. Ну, яна бліжэйшая па жанры, так бы мовіць, кшталту пратаганістка дзяўчына знову, і што ўсё адбываецца ў маленькім горадзе, і гэта расследаванне, таму што другая частка гэта роуд-муві, так бы мовіць, гэта не пра расследаванне, а так, True Colors, яна знову расследаванне, мы даведваемся знову, хто там вінаваты ў чым. Барсук Педро Янотович полетел 1-1-1. Вы запускаете Барсука ў космос? Капец, трэба будзе глядзець запіс. Я вельмі цешуся, што ты файна бавіш час у Нагім Джеме. Гэта круто. Так, юзаем. Значится так. О, 5-4-2. Вось бачыце, тут сцёртыя лічбачкі. Гэта тое, што нам трэба. І вось 5-4-2 у яго была анатацыя падкрэсленая і чырвоненькая. Гэта супер. 5-4-2.
Yes! I thought that only worked in the movies.
Ён супер
Open Sesame.
Хотела сказать супер енот, але не, гэта якийсь інший фільм.
Stocked and ready for the apocalypse. This must have cost a fortune. Come on.
Уф, уф.
Now what? More survivalist supplies.
Ух, ух.
Look at all this weird shit.
Duct tape in a bunker is always a bad sign.
Can you imagine chilling in this room?
I guess Nathan needs the most expensive printer in the world. That son of a bitch.
Oh.
Talk about torture.
Некая жесть. Короче, тут студия. Супер криповая.
That's an original signed illustration. Fits perfect in here.
Jesus, I already hate this place.
This must be the crap that Nathan gets from Frank. Needles. Gross.
Ой-ой-ой. Мені подобається, ось зараз бот написав: не соромтеся, робіть кліпи зі
So who's
смішних
using
простей,
this
робіть
fancy
тіктоки.
tripod?
Ось зараз так смішно. Ой, капзда. Ой-ой-ой. Ой-ой-ой.
I've never seen so much pricey equipment before.
Тут все вельми дорогое, просто капздец.
Oh yeah, school suspension is a deal breaker in the Prescott family.
Нотатка.
Whoa. What is going on between Nathan and his father?
Супер у їх які жорсткі стосунки з батьком. Ой.
Can you imagine chilling in this room?
Let's see what's in here.
І это Кейт.
Oh my god. No.
Ох. Вітанки, видать. Ох. Вось яно.
Come on, let's see what this shit is all about.
We are. Okay. A binder marked Victoria, but it's empty.
Look, the next one says Kate.
Oh no, Kate. No.
God, I should have killed that bastard back there.
Kate wasn't the first. All those binders are filled with other victims.
Victoria has to be next. Nathan must be planning to dose her tonight at the Vortex Club party.
Rachel. This can't be real. These are all post shots, right? Right?
Chloe, look at her face. She's out of it.
Maybe Nathan paid her a shitload of cash to do this. She probably would have.
I don't think so. Why is he putting her in the ground like that? Where?
The junkyard. Max, we have to find that spot now. Then we can see what he did. There's no way she's dead. No way. She posed for those pictures, Max. I know it. Please, let's go.
Oh my god. Right. This picture is framed different. Rachel is awake and fucking furious. Rachel is passed out and she has something in her mouth. What happened to her? This shot is so staged. I can't believe it's real. I can't.
Так, могильщик, ти прийшов на саму
Kate looks
жесть.
so doped up. She has no idea she's being posed. At least Kate was asleep through all this bullshit. Ah, the Apocalypse Entertainment System.
Добре, біжим.
Chloe, slow down! Wait for me! I know exactly where I'm going. Look, this is it. This is it. Are you gonna help me, Max? Chloe, stop. Look. Please, no. Oh, that smell. Rachel. Oh, Rachel, no, please not her. Chloe. Rachel, why? I'm sorry, Chloe. I'm so sorry. I loved her so much. How can she be dead? What kind of world does this? Who does this?
Это не первый раз я прохожу гульню, але я не могу до того момента, это просто пиздец. О! Пакараюць катсін тое, што будзе далей, гэта ўвогуле
We can go
пиздец.
right to the cops. We have proof. Fuck the police. Rachel wanted us to find her. So we could get real justice. And revenge. The Prescotts have had this coming for 100 years, and nobody is gonna get in my way. Especially with your help.
Ну, далей будзе капздец.
I'm with you
шчыра.
to the end, Chloe.
Гэта
You
ўжо
know
быў капздец, але далей лепш не будзе. Так, Хедхантер. У гэтым часе, калі глядзець запіс, усё яшчэ будзе аргана. Таму не гэта...
This is like that
Не накидываем.
You're right. Look at the outline.
I can't tell if they're different.
What is that?
Can't be too moved.
Jesus, Chloe, look up at the sky.
Beautiful. I don't give a shit. The world is ending. Cool.
You're not listening. Something major is going down.
That's right. Nathan Prescott is going down.
Welcome to the end of the world, ladies. I'm glad you decided to escort me.
You look really good, Warren. Are you alright after today?
I really flipped out on Nathan. I just hate bullies.
And Max, he's dangerous.
Where is he?
I didn't see him at the dorm again. I was holed up in my room.
Dude, have you been drinking?
Well, if you consider half a beer drinking.
Так.
Let's go, Max.
Hey. I know this is a bad time, but can I get one picture? I've been feeling like this might be actually the end of the world, so I want to have something for prosperity.
Well, I don't blame you, Warren.
I know, I'm a pain in the booty. Just one picture.
Action.
Я надеюсь,
We've got no time for this shit.
вспышку
Come
просрала.
on, Max.
Sorry. I just wanted to feel like a normal student after this week's ultra violence. I never hit anybody like that before. I was always the one getting my ass kicked.
Hey, we still need your expert help. If you see Nathan, text me immediately, okay? And do not let him see you.
He won't. I know how to be invisible here.
Not to me, Warren. Text soon.
О. Я зрозуміла, хедхампер.
Okay, Chloe, where the hell are you?
Так, ну я поспеваю до полночи.
Some of the Vortex Club always give me attitude.
Stella, that's what they're here for.
Hi, Stella. Hey, Max. Welcome to the end of the world. Do you want me to check anything in?
No thanks, Stella. Have you seen Nathan yet?
No, thank God. That boy creeps me out. Wait, some girl just asked about Nathan before you came in.
What girl?
She had blue hair, dressed like a punk. I've seen her putting up those Rachel Amber posters. I'm stuck here, so I'm sorry I can't help you.
So why are you working at a Vortex Club party? I didn't think you wanted to be a member.
Screw that. I'm here for the job.
Who hired you?
Mr. Jefferson asked me because he knows I don't have a lot of money, even with my job and scholarship. I'm not cool enough for this school.
Yes, you are, Stella. You're smart, honest, and you bust your ass for Blackwell. I hope everything turns out your way in the end.
Хитрастая на
Thank you,
этом
Max.
стремлении
I really appreciate
приманная.
that. Hey, your face looks so intense. Are you okay?
No, I'm actually not okay. I just need to find Nathan. And don't get too close if you see him.
Hell no. This is homework, not a party. I'll text you if I spy him. Good luck.
I love this song.
Ну, Хлоя сапраўды не найлепшы варыянт, але лепш за Уоррена я лічу. Хаця ён мілы, конечно.
We need to find Nathan and take him down.
Я допомогу їй.
Alyssa, incoming! My mom.
Of course, my object angel is stepped up every single time to protect me from the cruel world. Thank you again, Mystic Man.
Я, кстати, згодна. Хлоя пакуль што толькі бесіць у асноўным. О, Брук.
Hello, Brooke.
Max, I didn't expect to see you at a Vortex Club party.
I didn't expect that either, but I really need to find Nathan. Have you?
No, I haven't seen him. And I'm not looking for him, so I most likely won't tonight. I just hate that scrub. And his club.
So why are you here tonight?
No homework? Boredom? Waiting?
Have you seen Warren tonight?
No, but we're going to map out our drive-in date later. I was just talking to Daniel about a road trip next week to the Portland Art Museum.
Oh, that is so cool. He needs a friend. I bet Daniel will be a great museum guide.
I'm more into science than art, but what kind of a selfish fangirl would miss a Miyazaki exhibition?
You're not selfish, though. You're just trying to live your life without all this bullshit. Like all of us here.
You seem so wise and kind of invincible this week. I think that snow and eclipse gave you superpowers. Check to see if you can fly.
Ну, это правда.
I don't think having superpowers would make my life easier. With great power comes great bullshit.
I don't know. It would be pretty kick-ass to battle supervillains over Arcadia Bay.
Well, the night is still young, Brooke.
And so are we, Max. So let's plan a drone date next week.
Hi, Daniel.
Yes! Max makes an entrance! I only came to the party because of you.
I'm glad to see you out and about. By the way, have you seen Nathan Prescott tonight?
No, I've been hanging with Brooke since I got here. Max, are you okay? Your face looks so serious.
I know. I'm not in party mode tonight.
You look like you're on a secret mission.
This is where it's going to end. For Rachel's sake.
Well, if you want to hang out with Brooke and me, we're here for you.
Thanks, Daniel. I have to stay on my mission now. I hope you stay on yours and become a great artist.
Well, I'll be celebrating someday in a museum, Max. Adios.
No one seems to know where Nathan is. Is he hiding or something? Energy drinks, soda, energy drinks. I know somebody has the booze. There's Courtney drinking alone, without Taylor or Victoria. I wonder why.
Luke, I almost didn't see you.
Max, you're the only person I don't mind seeing right now.
I was looking for Nathan.
I've avoided almost everybody here tonight. Why are you looking for Nathan?
I want to make sure he's not gonna do anything tonight.
Like what happened to Kate. Oh wait, I did see Nathan today. Nursing a busted face. I had dreams that somebody finally kicked his ass.
Well, Luke, sometimes dreams come true. Warren gave him an epic beatdown.
Yes, give it up for Brother Warren. Now all we have to do is drive all these goddamn Prescott vampires out of town.
I think Sean Prescott wants to drive all of us out of town. Or into Pan Estates.
I met him once at a Bigfoot's game. Mean fucking bastard. Oh man, he explains Nathan.
Preach it, Brother Luke. Okay, I have to get going. Thanks for seeing me.
No, thank you. For helping Kate. And for keeping it real. Peace out.
Чел теперь просто отрывливая подвары.
I'm surprised to see you here.
I'm so glad I could warn you about all those sneak attacks.
You kinda are a superhero. You always choose to help me. It reminds me of the only poem I can quote by Robert Frost.
I could use one moment of poetry right now.
Okay, but this is like poet karaoke, so don't cringe. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
That was beautiful, Alyssa. It was exactly what I needed to hear.
Thanks for not cringing, and thanks for watching my back. Blackwell would be so much cooler if we all did that for everybody else. But you're a great start, Max.
but I'm going in.
Sorry, but this is the VIP section. Members only. Okay?
Sorry, but I'm on the list, okay?
I know that Max Caulfield is not on any list for the Vortex Club. Nice try.
Listen.
No, you listen. Courtney is supposed to be the VIP gatekeeper, not me. So please go.
Мы успейте,
I
дорогие.
need to find a way to enter this bullshit club.
Write it down. You must have erased it.
Я не упевнена, що я була колись увогуле коли-небудь на таких тусовках.
Not anymore.
If I get sick now, I
О,
can drink more later.
фото. Я веду. Фото.
I'm not in the mood, but still, this could be an interesting shot.
Хе-хе. Готовы.
I'm never leaving this toilet.
Так, взаємності тут нема увогуле.
The tide is turning.
Мені здається, я
I'd
ніколи
like
не
to
була
tear
на таких
every one of
тусовках.
these things down.
У принципі, ведаєте, я не то, яка б шмат у житті була, у принципі, на тусовках, таких ось сапраўдных тусовках. Я ось у ноч з п'ятниці на суботу я була у Варшаві, і ми тусили з Тодзі, і Ерикой, і Локі. І ми були ось якраз у караоке-клубі у Варшаві. І я ось туди зайшла, і я така подумала, блін, капець я задротка. Я ось зайшла туди, і я відчула себе там менш упевнена, чим коли мені було 16, і я ходила на дискотеку у коледжі, а тепер мені 30, і я така просто... Мне неяк так няёмка, я тут знаходжуся зусім не на сваім месцы, капздец. Кшталту я магу тусавацца, але калі вельмі голасна і шмат людзей, я просто такая... Курысую! Мур-мур-мур-мур-мур. Амаль што годзік котачцы. Дзякуй вялікі за то, што застаешся ў кацінай сям'і 11 месяцаў. Амаль што год котачцы. Так, ты амаль дарослая котка. Ну, котка-падлетачак. Вось твае лапкі такія моцныя, і хвосцік хутка будзе такім пухнастым. Ой, цудоўна, цудоўна. Вось табе наліваю віртуальна шакаладнага малачка у... гэта крыцей можаш папіць таксама вялікая котка, але не такая вялікая, як ты. Тодзі, Эрика і Локі. Уявіце, я бачила, як выглядае Локі. Шок-контент. Локі існуе, і ён нават не анімэ 2D хлопчык. Я таксама не ведала. Я прыехала ў госці да Эрыкі і Тодзі, а тут вызначылася, што, оказывается, там яшчэ і Локі ёсць. Табе дзякуй. І табе дзякуй, дарэчы, што ты стрыміш таксама. Я вось не ведала, што ён там ёсць. І... А вось высветлілася, што ёсць, і нават змаглі сустрэцца. Так, яны, дарэчы, казалі, што яны цябе бачылі яшчэ ў Беларусі.
What would a shitty party be without glow sticks?
О, гэта такая гісторыя, крыцей. Я прыехала ў Варшаву ўвогуле па справах. Вось. Які ў мяне былі ў чацвер. Але мне трэба было дзесьці перакантавацца, так бы мовіць. І Тодзі і Эрика пагадзіліся мяне ў сябе прыняць, і, карацей, я была пару дзён у іх. І вось з п'ятниці на суботу ми тусили, а у суботу зранку, ось одразу після тусіча, я заїхала до їх у хату, взяла свої речі і поїхала далі у Гданськ, тому що у Гданську була зустріча з іншими сябрами. Тому ось у мене все так склалося, утиснулося у кілька днів. Я приїхала з Труймяста, ну, тобто у Гдиню ми поїхали, тобто я з Труймяста приїхала у Краков ранком у неділю. Абсолютно ніяке. Боже, зато і як я файно поспала. Як я файно поспала сьогодні. Ой, було файно. Я боюсь, что так. Выяснится, что Шагрель не кот, и мы все чмуреем.
How are you?
Я сама в шоку.
Our guest star arrives fashionably late. Say bonsoir to the end of the world. Even though you flaked on my party makeover, you still get special access to the Vortex Club VIP lounge.
You better let your minion know, since she won't let me pass.
Oh, that little asshole just made her last mistake. She thinks she's Victoria.
Дякую велике за то, что
Now,
был
let's go
тут.
make an
Добра
official
тобі
VIP
солодких
entrance
снів.
Max Factor. Get it?
Ну ось висвітлиться, що я не богема ще.
Do you know that
Жах.
I personally put Max's name on the list? So you like decide to block her from coming in while I'm taking a break? You're not in charge here.
Wait, I just...
Oh my god, you're done. And you're off the list permanently.
Жесть.
Welcome to the Vortex Club.
Ось ми і трапили у клуб таким чином. Жесть.
Nathan is the Vortex Club. So his ass has to be here tonight.
О, бот.
A bomb. Give me a break.
А что? Кому?
What's up, Hayden?
Ну, бон фибон.
Up in the sky, it's Super Max here to save the party.
Have you seen Nathan?
I just vaped some dank OG buds, so I can barely see you. Or are these hotties next to me? You want a hit?
Не-не-не.
No. I want to find Nathan.
Me too. He's supposed to be bringing some special party favors. Hope.
Жесть. Я твар такі. Розумію. Ось я.
Has anybody here seen Nathan?
Я розумію,
Go
коротше.
ask everybody here, or you can sit down and take a quick.
Ну, я нині з усім діти. Їм кшталт по 18 єсть.
Hayden, does Sean Prescott pay for the Vortex Club parties?
What doesn't he pay for? Prescott's shit money. How else could we afford DJ Doomsday to spend?
The Prescott family is literally making you dance.
Whatever. I'm in this world to have fun. Try it sometime, Max. I finally get you and Dana.
Ну, я не можу голосувати з 18. Я не просто бухати не можу з 21.
How much fun did Kate have at your last party? Listen, Hayden. Just watch out for Nathan tonight.
I think that's your job.
Я
Max.
розумію.
Come back when you're ready.
Oh my god. Max, seriously? What are you doing here?
Taylor, have you seen Nathan yet?
If I did, it's none of your business.
This is a VIP area, so you should get back to the bleachers. Just keep on dancing for Victoria, Taylor. And stay away from Nathan.
Like, thanks for your concern.
Я б готую їжу не
Chips and
чіпала.
crackers. Spare no expense, Vortex Club. So the Vortex VIPs get real alcohol and they're underage. I know Victoria is next on Nathan's hit list.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Max, all right.
I'll talk after you shake that booty for me.
No. Have you seen Nathan?
I can't even get Victoria or Taylor to twerk. And you want to hang with Nathan? Why?
999 is my emergency line. If I see a sign, trouble comes my way. ETA about 2 to 5. Too late, my mate put up in the place in the space.
Business.
You should talk to his dad then. Bro has got more money than
Давайте я
God.
такое же осветление у
Spends it on
себя
the
укручу
Vortex
уже.
Club, not the losers over there in the cheap seats.
Logan, this is a swimming pool. In other words, you haven't seen me.
Ask Victoria. She always knows where he is. Don't you ever want to see? You're so cute. We never really talk.
Talk about what?
The next Bigfoot's game. We could go out to the field. I could show you some moves. Give you a touchdown.
Logan, don't make me hurt.
Damn. That was way more exciting than the dance. Catch you later, Max.
О, Виктория.
Sorry, Max. Vortex Club members only.
Sorry, I'm on the guest list.
I'm taking you off.
Go fuck yourself, Victoria. I don't have time for this bullshit.
Real cute, Max. And after I apologized to you the other day.
Do you even have a clue what's going on at Blackwell? Kate Marsh tried to kill herself in front of you. And me. Everybody here.
That's not my fault, Max. Don't you even try to blame me.
Так. Что мы ей скажем? Блин. Я не упевнена, що ми можемо хоча б неким чином їй допомогти у гэтай ситуації. Тому що яна наступная у списі на пиздец. Добре.
I don't blame you, Victoria, but you know Kate had a church group and that she didn't party. So why did you send out that video?
Oh, God. I swear we weren't even going to do it. Then we had some wine and got stupid.
It's more than stupid. It's mean. Hateful. Kate never did anything to you. And that didn't stop you from taking one last video of her on the roof.
I deleted that from my phone. Maybe I'm not her friend, but I didn't get off on Kate attempting suicide. I'm not evil, Max.
I believe you, Victoria, but I don't understand you.
That makes both of us, Max. I always feel like I have to overcompensate. For what? I have no clue. I'm only here to become a photographer, not president.
О, блин, типа говорить з ёй наконт Джефферсона. Блять.
Is that what you were trying to tell Mr. Jefferson?
Блять, ні.
You saw me talking to him?
Saw. And heard.
We were just talking about how excited he is for the Everyday Heroes contest. That doesn't mean I'm going to win or anything.
I hope you win fair.
We'll see. And Max, I know you don't like me either, so it's not like we have to be friends or anything.
Maybe, but who says we have to be enemies?
Whoever makes that decision.
That would be us, Victoria.
Well, Max Caulfield, I could always choose to let you in the Vortex Club.
I don't think that's gonna happen. But not for the reasons you think.
Oh, you look so serious.
Так. Попередим яе ці не попередим? Поехали. Ну, я думаю, что мы на одним, так бы мовить, тут усе бако. Мы за тое, каб папярэдзіць яе. Шчыра кажучы, я не настолькі дурная, каб яе не папярэдзіць неяк. Якой бы яна не была паскудзенай, шчыра, я б нікому не пажадала такі лёс, ну, кшталту Халера яго ведае, што там з гэтымі дзяўчатамі робяць у гэтым даркруме. Але гэта дакладна я б нават ворагу свайму не пажадала, гэта не окей. Якой бы яна паскудзенай не была, яна не заслугоўвае такога. Так, хутка пытанка скончыцца. Ну гэта амаль канец эпізода, калі я не памыляюся. Ужо канец. Цудоўна, мы яе папярэдзім. Дзякуй, дзякуй, дзякуй. Дзякуй, вялікі кацін, за тое, што закінула лапак на гэтым. Дзякуй. Так, дайце я яшчэ вып'ю вадзічкі. О. Паехалі.
Victoria, listen to me. Your life is in serious danger. I know Nathan is your friend, but he is truly unstable and dangerous. He did drug Kay to that party so we could take her something dark.
What? Nice try, Max, but I don't believe you. And why would he do that?
That I don't know. But it was enough to make Kate want to die. And I think you're next.
Max, that is crazy. Nathan is like one of my best friends. Yes, he takes serious meds, but that's not his fault. His family treats him like a total freak just because he has little meltdowns.
They're not little anymore. They're deadly. I don't care if you hate me or not. You have to believe me.
You could have been a major bitch to me when I got hit with that paint, and I deserved it. Max, I don't hate you. I actually think you're one of the coolest people at Blackwell. Weird, but cool. You just don't know it yet. Maybe I'm jealous because you don't give a shit what anybody thinks, and I do. To be honest, Nathan has been freaking me out lately.
И она нам
He's not
поверила.
here, and I haven't seen him.
Just make sure you stay away
Просто простое, что мы были окейны з ёю ў першым эпізодзе.
I let you boss me around this one time. And I have other people I can go to for protection. Thanks for telling me this, Max. If what you said is true, then you be careful too.
I've got my own protection.
Text me if you need anything.
I will. Thanks, Victoria.
Au revoir.
Найс. О, Хлоя пробралася на вечерину.
Maybe there's hope yet for Victoria and me.
Всё.
I'm glad I warned her.
Классно.
I hope she's okay.
Мы попередили Викторию.
There you are. Chloe, Nathan isn't here. Nobody has seen him tonight.
He's definitely not upstairs or in the lockers.
Damn. Maybe he's hiding in his dorm.
Then let's bail. Nathan can't hide anymore.
So, you made it, Max.
Oh, hey, Mr. Jefferson.
Are you both okay? You look like you're on a mission.
I was just
Хедхампер, фанат мистера Джефферсона.
I didn't know you were pals with him. I haven't seen him since this afternoon. He seemed pretty upset. I think he's still quite upset over the whole Kate situation.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's talk later, Max. I have to announce the winner of the contest. I do wish you would have entered. You have to build up that resume and portfolio, but I know you will.
Thanks. I hope so.
Okay, excuse me. I'm almost on.
Let's get the hell out of here, Max.
Okay, everybody calm down. Thank you. I appreciate it, but I don't want to get in the way
Як
of the
можна
party,
не
but it's
любити
time to
такого
announce
класного
the winner
наставника?
of the Everyday Heroes contest.
Куриси то гуляли у
Before
гульню?
I do, I want to thank everybody who entered their photograph and everybody who thought about entering.
А,
Now this is the most important step in being an artist.
ти гуляла во
Sharing
всех
your work
гульні
with the world.
серії.
All of you represent Blackwell Academy and everything our school stands for. As far as I'm concerned, you're all everyday heroes. The envelope, please. And the winner is... Oh my, what a shocker. Victoria Chase.
Ну і сапраўды была класная работа, таму
Thank you so much, Mr. Jefferson.
гэта
It was
заслужана.
your incredible photography that brought me to Blackwell, and I hope I can live up to your name and fame. I also want to thank all the students for being so dedicated in their pursuit. And I'd like to dedicate this prize to Kate Marsh. She is the real everyday hero of Blackwell, and I can't wait for her to come back. Thank you.
You suck, Victoria.
Victoria won. Big surprise. I can't believe she blackmailed Jefferson. Well, yes, I can.
Who fucking cares? Rachel is still dead, and I want Nathan's punk ass now.
Me too. Let's go check out the dormitories.
Oh, Christ. Nathan just texted me. He says there won't be any evidence left after he's done.
Shit. We have to go to the junkyard right now.
Што, гэта паходзе зараз канец эпізода будзе.
Stop stomping around, Chloe. Right. Just get ready to use your rewind fast if Nathan tries to jump us.
Хорор, блін. Все, пачынаецца хорорная частка гэтай гульні.
Hey, I can't focus if you're yelling. Please.
You're gonna suffer, Nathan.
Oh.
But you'll never get your revenge. I swear. Max, when we catch Nathan, you better rewind so I can kill him over and over.
Oh, for God's sake, Chloe, you have to be quiet.
Please hurry. Oh God, Max, look. She's still there.
Don't look, Chloe.
Oh, no.
Chloe! Look out!
What the fuck?
Chloe.
Хэдхаммер такі, гэтага не можа быць. Пізда. О, як я усерлася з гэтага, калі я гуляла ўпершыню. О, Арыгана, калі ты глядзіш запіс, спачуваю. Так, што у нас па статыстыцы? А ўсё пропустила катсін, тут пиздец. Высветлілася, хто сапраўдны забойца. Ну, ввогуле говна. Так. Так. Вядома, Нейтан. Значыцца так, мы прынялі прапанову, ну не прапанову, мы не адмовілі Хлоі, і так зрабіла большасць. Мы дазволілі Уоррену пабіць Нейтана, так зрабілі не ўсе. Гэта меншасць. Ніхто нікога не забіў падчас размовы з Фрэнкам. Мы малайчынкі. І Вікторыя паверыла нам. Супер. Так. Ага. Мы выратавалі птушку, мы не чапалі птушынае гняздо, мы здабылі файлы Дэвіда, мы дапамаглі знайсці... Кейт дапамагла знайсці пакой Нейтана, мы матывавалі Даніэла схадзіць на вечарыну. Мы не пакінулі паведамленне на дошцы Уоррена. Мы дапамаглі Алісе і мы не знайшлі пароль ад нейтанскага тэлефону, але все, так, сябры не гулялі ў гэтую версію, добра. Все. Наступны эпізод мы пачнем на наступным стріме. Ух, як вашыя пачуцці. Гэта насамрэч вельмі... Я памятаю, калі ўпершыню праходзіла, я ачмурыла з таго, што гэта такі эмацыйна цяжкі эпізод. І гэта нават не 5. Кшталту я на 4 так наплакалася ўпершыню, калі праходзіла. Усё адно зараз таксама плакала. А яшчэ ёсць 5. І 5 насамрэч таксама вельмі эмацыйна цяжкі эпізод, але ён цяжкі па-іншаму. Таму што ён суперкрыповы. Так, Хэдхаммер двойчы. Можна было і больш разоў. Карацей... Я не ведаю, трэба будзе клікаць магільшчыка, каб ён глядзеў, бо ён так хацеў, каб я гуляла ў хорары. Вось клічце магільшчыка на наступны стрым, я яго таксама паклічу, бо там будзе хорарны хорар. Я вельмі баюся 5-й эпізод, я не ведаю. Магчыма, як стане трошкі папрахалодней, я яго пастрымлю. Вось. Не ў бліжэйшыя дні, магчыма, на выходных, калі там будзе больш-менш надвор'е, каб я Арыгана магла даглядзець да канца. Карацей, жах. Там будзе страшна. Мабыць, буду краша прасіць адзін эпізод прайсці, а мабыць, не. Мабыць, я змагу, а мабыць, З вашым стаўленнем, я зразумела, якое у вас стаўленне да спадарыні Хлоі. Я ўсё зразумела. Ой. Дзякуй вам вялікі за тое, што завіталі на гэты стрым. Было вельмі файна. Дзякуй, што дапамаглі мне перажыць эмацыянальна. Так, гэта не то. Я хацела іншае ўключыць. Хвілінку. літаральна. Дзякую вам вялікі, карацей, за тое, што былі разам са мною ў гэтай падарожжа па 4-м эпізодзе Life is Strange. Я спадзяюся, што мы з вамі яшчэ сустрэнемся падчас майго праходжання наступнага эпізоду, таму што мне шчыра будзе трэба ваша падтрымка, таму што ён супер крыповы, і я з цыкло, і мне рэальна будзе трэба, каб хтосьці сядзеў, верыў у мяне. Добренька, хто у нас зараз? О, у нас Вераніка стрыміць, цудоўненька. Давайте завітаем да спадарыні Веранікі, яна вось зараз ляціць на мятле у Хогвартс Легасі. Все нормально. Вось. А так, это, походе, недавно распачала. Карацей. Добраноч, мои дороженькие котянятки, салодзенькіх вам сненняў, цудоўнага тыдня. І сустрэнемся з вами, магчыма, на выходных ці бліжэй да выходных. Буду пісаць у твітары, сачыце за навінамі. А цяпер скокайце ў скрыначку і панясу вас да пані Веранікі.